me dofo pa mame ma akwa aba bebia wo bia emra Adum TV dwumade we ye nkuransensem na me amede dwumade ho chia me ye osomfo Apostle Dr. Anita Kotego mame nse yankopon ho nhira ema wo ne wo fie nyinara na wadwuma nkoso na wabrabo so enyina yie wo Jesus say amen. You so no me catch you say when you fail to reflect on your thoughts, when you fail to reflect on your habits, when you fail to reflect on your emotions in your life, you fail to know where your life is heading towards to. Enipa ye bubra ye tu kwan. Ebi se obrabo e ya kwantu. If you aware kwan kasa aware kwan wa just aware so ya kwantu. Na sese abri biara no. Yetimi epemre em se minim se adwuma wo mu no ya moye meetings a ye fe na prayer meetings ye trase ahwe nneoma a ekoyie bosumwe en nneoma a edi yenya eni ne ase yeyo ne sakra mu ni abrabo tumpon adwuma no ayeyo woto ade adwom wo se meto ade na menya mfaso kwa mbe so ade mfaso no ehye adwuma mu abo abrabo nti abrabo ebenya se be mfifimu o ya abrabo mu nipa wapo dinemu wunyina mi nyini na kame wonwi wa menyi ku ha na me afro be ne eteko kwa benso na me di sakura we beyo na me ho akoso efe enti ebenya se obubu kompo ahwe abrabo mu osika semu owadie mu onkwada hwemu na wonnane wagya setere mu na obi se say adwene ben suban ben ena susu ebe na tenka ben ana makura mu abesi na he na di me aduro se emfa nkodu ba bia ye dia ebe yan sakramu protocol e friend reforms. You need to reform to align with current changes, demands and challenges. Abrabo ade chi bia ne sakramu omu enioma sesa meka se yesi so no na ka ye shetres be friend the bus omu na mo friend se bus ne airtime be she ba ko bia no ketekete afo won se tu na abu ene bus na sa ba biom se na abrabo te na yesi deda no e be san si biom na nyansa ene akwankyere ene be hia se beto na montuo ni abrabo ayede abrabo enya awrewo ohia ni ba bia ohia wa adwene mu wo bre ni ba bia wo bre ni apinidie egina wa adwene so awrewo enka abrabo ho e na akopa awrewo de beto wo no wo nkyiremu be ma awre aho ana be ma obu afu nti abrabo awobui wonyina so ni se obehunu nyoma esefata se obedwene ho obehunu nyoma esefata se obeyo baba tenka eyese obekenya no nempo abrabo bewie payo se menia ye bom so omama ye bo odihye ye bo nwani na ye bo se obeye yedie na nyina so nyina ene wankasa potokasa say life is what you make it yourself. Coming to you, life is what I make it myself. My brabo, my wadi mi sika sema juma ni nyina so ye me. Sema ya juma subenfini adwinfini ni atenkafi a emwa me. Na mapeni o ma esefata na me de aka de etu abrabo ana montuo. Kwa bia so no, de oba me obo me ma ne nsa nsi from da. Na ma ne ntra ba bi ni awre wo se obo me o mama mabe akoa de bida me mani onsu enka se obo me de hye na se be maya abonfia megina me nanso na mama ba brabo aso obo ade nani de bia meye bia no adwe amadwin bia so me de na die bia me de na die ema yankopon nani age so obo me abusua megidi se we beye nsem ode beto adwen process ni ameye ni ameka ya madwin ho no enhye nyame anuonyam na mpagya me nkompomponso so a mabrabo be adansedie emayedie ne nkoso nyame nhira nyame nka ho nyame mo ho ban onyi afidie sunfu afidie fu abrabo mu na ne ye fata emra abrabo mu kosi se abrabo betu mpon ayeye aha na meja wo na mada asese wonya amrehwe me na me de nhira nsem akoma Adum TV adwuma efo nyame bodi na edoso Master Abu Babs ajawa beke kodwo Richmond nyafo man hene be ma one me nua be ma na ben nyeso ni nyafo man de se ekuro ba ko nyeso hene me ma ha ama achi ɛyɛ miami nua baafo yɛ bo a ɔsɛ hwede na ma kyia bro no so wo nyina achim kotoku man nyina me kyia mo na ma ba sera so kro ma ba kyia sorofo na ma kokko na ma kokko agya wo be kampadu na ma ba nkran ma ba kyia ni Thomas Ade tenye oten ma kyia wanpo osbo ba ko pe me kyia obi a wa adom de nhyira agya mo wo no nyame entina
Yada say yasamu achemu akwa babiem do Badum TV bedroom so Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutego yada say eni nkranhyensem yede kase no etwa so nsem abeti wo mu bi ene obi edan adankora nan ewo mu ahye dwerebe wo konongo eno ne nsem bi anopai yede bro Sadum TV bedroom kase share live on Facebook/Adum TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTuber search Adum TV Tube ne kwadumonline.com semine samafufuro yi ewom midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de biente said semno etie eja ato 4-bedroom efie ewo Konongo Habitat Junction ye no wasante achim Central mense no emo efie ra abenejewa owuso echiemu a dumso ekoso wo ho ena de jahihie yi abro
le me kan se nyame na meda na se nyame ayebi wa ya de kase amame wonderful okay dan se de tie na nyame asome ahwe ma pass test na nyame ayebi Adum TV de nyame ne mo afia na mo me hwe mo free anopa na me tie nyom na mo de me pa na ma tie news kakra na ma bere ma juma kakra na ma be tie news kakra na masaba nti more special and more special and I say me better me na no fe na ma ready am could drive me
na but mo hwe a de na betimi de course na aba
dum so that's why I would say me kind cheap rep dum so
wona eneyi asemi bi aka omo ama sisi adade won adan ahyehye no ensem bi a wokan ye eni
tu abo apa ena
ese ahmachi
tu adundum no a fi se started by 8 ena edi sade ba ha enti mesra ekwan wo ho pa de ampanifo hwe kanea no se de ekono enye sa Ghana ye nyina bewu
edan do se ne kan ye
4 rooms 4 rooms
Islamu pa na jono kanea ne koye ena sa ba epim na eba ye no said ya also fana mza fan be start free 1 ano odin e kodu 5 a ewo form na ye di ko to 5 no in fact na et said ye di ato 1 no times 10 kania eso di mu no eso din
of Defense Staff Lieutenant General William Japan and the two military officers ni nyina ni mo say won ka won ho ehye won ma anida ho na fe wonwe enko kan se beye na niema hodo be ye nenam wiemu ene ewiase amamu no man Ghana so ebi mae de na nso won ahoboa no ensipi ekoba se bibi epun niti a wotumi akeka won ho.
Ladies and gentlemen, this retreat comes at a critical moment in our national and regional security architecture. Across the world and within our sub-region, the character of conflicts is evolving rapidly. Traditional security threats are increasing, intersecting with emerging and unconventional challenges. Hybrid warfare, violent extremism, cyber vulnerabilities, disinformation, organized transnational crime, and mounting social political pressures continue to test the resilience of states and the adaptability of their armed forces. Distinguished participants, it is against this backdrop that the Ghana Armed Forces must remain proactive, professional, disciplined, and also forward-looking to these emerging and complex threats. Our ability to anticipate, adapt, and also respond effectively to these evolving threats will determine not only our operational success, but also our continued relevance as a key pillar of national stability. The decision to organize this retreat was informed by these realities. It reflects our collective determination to reflect and recalibrate our strategic posture in order to ensure that the Ghana Armed Forces remains capable, responsive, and aligned with the expectations of the state and the Ghanaian people at large. This year's retreat is held under the theme, Resetting the Ghana Armed Forces, reviving regimentation to build resilience, foster unity, and sustain a professional, cohesive force that safeguards sovereignty and supports national development. The theme reflects our collective determination to strengthen the core values that have always defined the Ghana Armed Forces.
Domi Kwabenya mrashe bedwani eye eliklim akurugo ene yi afe baako ya watena so samrashe bedwani no enema hodo ya waye won mpasua no eso ne ebua embabunu mpuntuo ne ngomasua ene enwuma hodo no wadanede
Mrashe bedwani a wogina muma omanfo a wo Domi Kwabenya mpasua so eliklim akurugu ede mpasua no so bobre abetudwa wato ne din State of the Constituency Address or the sajumadi ehhehye so ede kire afe baako ene abosome miensa omanfo a wo ho eto abama no jumaso ahodo a ekoso ewo mpasua no so ewo emabunu entity efam no ode todwa se
recognizing the financial challenges faced by many families. I distributed over 1,400 mathematical sets to candidates preparing for the BEC. I gave some financial support to about 200 junior high school graduates entering senior high school. Efforts have been made to renovate the Hato maternity block. Essential tools and equipment have been procured, and soon our maternity block will be ready to serve the women of Domi Kwabenya. I have received and distributed 400 street lights from the Ministry of Energy to continue the Light Up Domi Kwabenya program. 5 talented young players were identified and supported to pursue professional opportunities abroad.
Eto akasia no eso 90 amanyokoi na kasa chiremu se wo muguso aye ne obetumi aboa sebeya oman Ghana betumi akono enimo wonjumedi a wo ye nso nyenyi mo obia ka ho bia no na kire se aban ye wosu enyenyi mo takwanso yem abato mpesua so NDC dwamtenani na kase
the party NDC this is first time you hu da menya maybe but you behind the scene on your kamasam na my yaya no your friend on the scene so on the na yehuni de bia me kamasam there esi school dan esi hospital aye ka kwan na se nipa ko yara na wantima obede na wafado that's it say da menya mai na awie na se nipa no wantima nko school a na se da menya mai na mfaso ade wamba ente ye balance bi ni na yeri hwekwana be fada ya ba infrastructure no ni hwekwana be fada timamfo so wede ye bon kakra
wana okopie mu wodwumadie na se a sa dwumadie wonya asomfaso no wonsam a woka ye eni
wo mede na meyiwa mo hwi mieskan for hospital na me be decide to MP na NDC enyim emina adma wa mu e kekam for hospital nti me so to fi enkokon de enkokon me do mama MP setela adwe onye so mane ya nsa na adwe na odibu ne ma no enkokon fa ma wan mo for mo man no no fa tra do for na ben leva.
Very 4 years, maybe in senior high school. But that's what I say MP is a killer or tapa. Or they make sure my application, but now I'm one. I'm at the 8-year school. I'm not domain school or China scholarship. But me, I'm more KB to me buy. Yeah, MP is a killer on our Obama.
Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority in Peru Motor Traffic and Transport Department, a War Ghana Police Service mu. Se free nei ekre womo chassis na kaira no mo a womo edaswa 2025 DV plate eye adwuma ewuo no obekire won
Edwumayeko a wɔhwɛ asan ene ho abodin krata asɛm ho nsɛm ho ɛde nsɛm bi ato abɔnten sɛ ɛyɛ afi apimienu ene aduonu mu DV plate ana enkofo ɛde bɔ wɔn ahyɛn ho no ene DP stickers ana enkofo ɛde bɔ wɔn ahyɛn ho nyinaa no sɛsɛyi wɔtwam ne senti dɔbɛ ne obehu sɛ afi apimienu ene aduonu mu DV number plate ene bɔ wo car ho no wo sɛ nipa no ɔbɛkyɛw anasa ɔbɛgye wo hyɛn no afiri wɔn nsɛm ni nada ene sɛ wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ esan sɛ yɛsi afi mu wodi kan ɛde mema adwumayeko wa abodin krata wotimi ema number plate afei so na wɔtɔn ahyɛn ene enyumayeko ahodo a wɔn ɛwɔ abodin krata wɔgye number plate bi eyeye nanso wahwɛ abesi sabre sɛ wɔgyegye saa number plate wie ya ɛyɛ February busumi mu ɔma akwan sɛ afei obi abetimi ɛde afi die ɛna ayɛ adwuma no wɔde wani ɛhu sɛ afi apimienu ene aduonu mu die no ɛde so ɛne nam kwan mu ne senti obi biara a ɔbɛkyew sɛ wahyɛn ho afi apimienu ene aduonu num ɛyɛ DV number plate na bɔ ho no wo sɛ nipa no wɔde asotwe ho nom ɛbɛma ho.
Group manager de ma Village of Hope Orphanage Fred Asare or the other to Ghana for ni mo say yemra ebebo.
And then a Village of Hope, akodi womo 30th anniversary. Village of Hope ewo suku ahodo ayaresabia na womo eboa womanfo pa. Nkwada womanfo de omukoja fi nkwada brem ene ebia be ya lawyer for, mrashibedwafo, a teacher for, impenifo ahodo ewo mamu a. Anniversary course no group manager Emma Village of Hope Fred Asare ede adesede eto womanfo enim se womo mrame yo momoa sene womo bekoso a ahwe womanfo amoma ye nhira amaoman no.
Reho say Nansen ubehwe street chain na obi de akola bi gina ho say oyare pompo bi abono so okoye operation nanso oni sika enti osresre minim say omo paniye on person mo bo ankola no enti na omo yesa nanso brofocus ye frɛ bibi dignity onipa bia ehie ni onyam na enye fe se obi be gina bonten na ya kire ne se we okowu na mommo ayen enye fesa Ghana for ye watenka ye wodo enti mesre se yempe kwan e betimi aboa sa mbofra no mra yemfo mu nkogina ewie mu wo kwan ho
Nto aso na trafo hene wo konfi traditional area ye mfifi mantamo na na imprem ye wotoso nwotwe na edi ya wo na droba fo ne akwantufo a won mo efa kaso wini ba contemporary so won mo abrem futuro ko ekwan no fa ba bi won mo aye wo se nka contractor ni mie ho na nko mo mfa ho se be ya obetimi aye de aka no so emunsem eni
ana ban Nana Akufo-Addo na Mahama President Mahama the President Akufo-Addo be sha se na President Mahama da so Mahama on so aba oro triado ne moma orokọ no ya mese yenka wo punish akwantufu wo kwan do akwantufu wonye won ho ahoto hwe totro ya wo twomi ehuntuma ankoten yarba ankoten ofika so ekase wirimba junction obi ntum sha atarifita mfin kran emase nkwa mankasim ana obi ntum sha atarifita mfin bankasim ana takwa de mase nkwa kran a ne hunu nya fi wan onyi no bandam so wan wata kwan no ehuntuma ankoten yarba ankoten yekwaya na yebai wan yakwan abu ha me yankwa ana wan yakwan me yawu
Osan editor contractor no enemu say
ayakwan egudo asphalt so nya completed asphalt kra ayo over 6 months empede babu ekwan na to car bia yusu at least open one section for us na yen yusu na ye other sections no menyim so pedo we 8 lanes ni na sana we bu ekwan na was subject into this inhuman treatment ayadin it used to carry actually 3 months. Bushos and Saya. Now I absorb our friend and Woolings. I say. Now we still road. I say.
Yenjano Sunadum TV bedroom kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay. Ye see emreno a wo de ma yenti. Yeda se ene bredumo ene di obi holiday bi so obesa da pa dia. Na wala because from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Then there also unquadwan say excuse. No, you're not being fair. I remember me do for kwesi nsia boaten akwaba. Eme na no pemi nche wo. E bibia boko.
Yankopon na adom na nso e.
Adom wo hu bobo.
So top na ne o mpaboa nso. E kekim pa.
Edasia papa.
Kekim pa.
Edasia.
So top na se me medasi. Via na se me. E ya sme contractor na nhwe no nya ho bibi. Cause we need ba. Kwan we need ba ka so akwa ne de. No odin se no kan se ofi se the other side wo wie no. Obeti ya is ebia mo yusu a. Se won timi nsu ade no ma nsu no so. Ewo the other side.
It's not easy. It's not easy. What baby a ye kwan a ebre wo. Dodo wa kwan. Enye bete na. Omukwa the last they say no improvement asaba mu kakra.
Okay, ogusumo.
Ensuogusuo na time ode agusu no. It depends on time aba be fa so. We do na awe.
Yes is a wiane so bo.
This
is a wiane.
Ti na enu anyame che yensuo kakra no.
Yeah.
Nyame ni wo. So enu ofensuo kakra mfamu a.
Yeah, kabedin.
Kwa na wiana no odin even as at 8.
Yeah.
Na no ya.
Yeah, contractors no.
Contractors no.
At least bibi o betimi ya ma amamfo ahwan ha o kakra. Ye say yes, ye kwan a awon ye hia beba. But at least you go say koye pii ko fa ha bebrebe amamfo. Yeah,
na ye tutu kokko wo ho nam say ye kokko we di anwango a. Say edin o demo o de manyina afruban
futu. No madam fu no sit down so no mpenti.
Just o ma wie. Eno de woye bibia ya wo ye o ha twen no mu wi a go futu no dos nti ama rams so ados so because speed ya ka ho
trot no trot
me see even private for class speed ya be kɔ no te se de ye dofo ezi ahen
Dansuman
so wakasa saa no omokwan ene ya beye but enipa fa so wonwene se nipa tete ho nti o se ye kɔ no bɔkɔ ne futu na brase eno my rams so then so pa no keni kwan say rams eyan ye suban ye hu se kwan no ya speed bi a ye ko na no atom efe ho say asoma na stage inside kwan bi wo ho da so pa the next day am ko for so rams nko because chale enipa ne nkura titiru enam ho ahwa ne de ka bobi
na bia because ya kasa kura ni mu hai yeni mu kokomlemle
12
manimu
ye nto ye bo
we speed pa cars pa de nam hadum a williams
da be so kwa na me kofa akwan fufuro ya wo pese ofa rich debi ahonya rich junction be a popular pa na de awura makofa kwan na mrefi o se kwan fufuro ti me de fa so adokopie motorway do kopie motorway
stadium kwan na
Ebenya flower pot like ufi Madina
yeah obefa ashalbotwe
okay
na na akopie ekwan afro no ma ya de kosi motorway no yeah
o se daso pa efe si anwumre bi abe anwumre moto abono da ho flat
oja no ko
na ni nyina ye atade a me sa da me hu atade a no hye tum moto yes ramo last enu another by last week ne kan ho asem
Friday ne kan ho asem yes
mumma ye ntade hyemu titu ye nam ahomache
yes
ye nwumre ye ntade a reflect like ebi boso
ma ebetimi ehunu wo
ena me hu ba ko bi mani je ne hu ne yetum ba na ne bag na ebo no as a reflect light to so hu reflection bi wo sunti no
ali so nya bi kakra be ma obi hu se
nipa na ekoi ana bibi na ekoi na kaka se di nti na car se si kwan so a ye de triangle ebesi ho
and also navigator
esi so nti yesre ye nyina ye sua de ade achi bia ye sua bibi ye nam abobo yafo she bibi a reflect because cars na bu omu hu tipa track yi wono ote so ohu mo nketo o ti yesre mo me ahofade wa anajo nante ne ahomache nante mu no
enye ne be ye isi be hu ye
o shenkani next one be hu se osomasi ni ashe we ne nam ye ne sa ko hia bebre no ebeba fom
yeah Adom online
Adom.online.com Kolebu doctors exposed alleged cover up during minister's hospital visit the minister ko omde dey say
say so am say some of the rot na won hospital no man ko yes IBBF say normal
normal so what minister now what ba now we in charge no wa ma na ehunu ne ekoso
na me da bia me kasa me mampeni na se me about this you pass so number we say quine.
Yeah.
Maybe yeah. Sada na
seriously.
We incompetent.
Yeah, because over so here to impress
minister and shame.
Yes.
Say no crescent pen for the cover abibia. Nipa no down on the empowerment.
Yeah, because there na person
incompetent. On self fata so better na ko.
Minister no na dwuma waba e be hwe de anya ne ahwe ne ye de dwuma.
Bibi wo na penfo ne kata so a minister making sure some penfo no ye be twe mo nyina free bi o, especially the CEO. He doesn't deserve to be there. If say no kre some pass be born wo ho and na doctors in penfo e ken so mo cover so because me nim de ntia and minister kwa sa on betna ho
na patient mom na aba no abe complaining ni aka say minister onya na dwuma yie say
the minister is there to solve the challenge na wo nom no wo ba be challenge no ba ya wakaba up
nti na mpase ya chi
mampani e ba district wo kwan ye
e ho na wo te ya
ko pesika be mobilize
level no mi wanya sanity
sanity
etu bo se mampani ko ya na wo twe mana asa atutu
et mampani so beto beto say asa monfo be bo but eye frakada et the best minister for health Kolebu dey say no kure pa say there was a cover up of some of the rot here wo Kolebu and the cover so minister bu na minister rehwem na pani bi obia no ma sa ne sie bia ye twena so cause minister mampani apart so unsolved challenges in our health sector
sir problem na we abrahosami so I see e say da be na awotwe it 1 week about na week mu e be 1 week we mu share kotehwe tama oninku school park we Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne delegations bi onu makọ elder frown donko ho akoma abusua no yakọ yese ne memema mienu
munyina akọ
ya di o na fie koto obusa se se yakọ haw mu a yakọ ya sofo ho na sofo acheche yewre so sofo no so wo haw a onu so be de nyame ho ye nyina yakọ nyame ho ba ya yen kai won ya yen kai won emu ya just a day seconds
kaime
omunyina akọ
we revenue student aba menka no
yes nyame no a nyamo rechiche
na bo refie that 20%.
yes so nyame mom ne hu so what
na so dem preach na the only news about here say umma wodu achi ejom no
like omo so ko camp
anka ba ku o omunyina akọ
omo ko problem tie no so who asem no former President Akufo-Addo takes on new role in Anglican Church. Tikana yamampani na na adoda nkwa Akufo-Addo say ne ukọ Anglican sum no mu a yama ne dibia foforo tie ho mfonyi eneda enimo hey. Heavy rainstorm rips roofs of EC fire service offices in Dwaboso.
Alomote da makuma na.
Enwanwa yese aban institutions no de ensuo no amfom ho nche mo kra peja ni na afri ho no mo na we obehu be o de so hwe news na obehu dan ye ka ne se nya de ohu no nkra ha bi o dan na abre timframa kitwa bi a na peja na to atwere ye beto so pasabre de ye dofo owura esi edubuadi aka kejiwa nankasa abeka ye dofo pa ye mo ache
e ba choma je mo so
na bibia boko de
na me adomode yen kwache
da na se
so tenkom takamada bodwem moje de mafusane e de bia mekasa nya merit and mercy nya class e Christ nya government policy a God's promise nya university degree a God's decree enti ne guso tenkom na ode yen kwache da na se
free anto ya humi free
se bia ne se mo kan unfortunate incident ba ye ko baka kwan so ye nam so ne ade Yankopon na dey. We are not good drivers. They say can papa no.
I don't be.
Because it could happen anybody.
Yes, so they are told no betting at all.
Anybody. A sign be could be so cry na me be na oh. But they tell that.
I don't be keke.
Eh sir, as it play be e be twifa e wa ho no.
Yeah.
It could happen anybody.
Yeah.
I don't be keke.
Traffic ache.
Adum bi keke na ye ma mi bi wo konongo news ye de ne dan ahie minim se no benya TV ahwe de oba pa ye chia wa no pay o so ne de Adum TV ne ho na definitely anopa kwesi anwumro de ne ti beto ne kete mpa so de da ha ne sa ro hosam kase sei ato no oba pani ti se no nyame ahwe no so a janka efie ya no de be ni nyina hye enti we de omose Konongo Habitat Junction 4 bedroom na hye no oba pa mse make huni dina ejewa oba pa Eradi a watch because the way my mane kasa I said ne ho okay Eradi nko so wanche chowre no nya boafo ma ho na sa pagya dan no umpani bremu na sa pagya dan ni si ho biem pa
that's true
aboafo beba enti honorable if I'm away
right me that's it my so live on Adom TV in 7 doors so mra so agodi emu nsam ni now Pablo I'm a Bernard Paributwe wa Miami producers Kejuana Kasani Erica Sedu Bwedi ye be chase fi the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana catch me no ka say 21 players and I update aba na 19 run up mu ha na ye da sorry you know 21 party joining amana 22 crowd sa etiano ne de ekoso Black Stars camp and ra omo your first training session ahead of that game against Austria.
The team has lined up a number of games, including a game in Vienna against Austria on the 27th of March. 3 days after, we'll be in Stuttgart against Germany. A few years ago, if you had a fixture like Ghana versus Germany, you'll be afraid. Our technical sponsors, Puma, adored a brand new strip for Ghana. So when we line up at the World Cup, you will see a totally new strip. 2 colors, one in white, one in yellow. Now, the underlying theme for the yellow strip is our ever-famous Mokola market. And the underlying theme for the white strip is the Spider-Man, Kweku Anansi.
Right, and so I know the Jeffrey president high-end Ghana Black Stars on some kakra no na ya chemu about the Njesia ya dia ba betumune how the preparations as we see according to the Friday some match in the back so against Australia and 3 days later in Germany and so at the aboni enko club issues kakra ya call a shedu ketekena na no makra so fokuo go she hwan amuden and one kwatwe papa and did Dramani head coach to my team no kasa afa go so I want kwatwe now.
We have to work hard in order to respond positively and get an outcome. I think that we've been very proud for some time and we need a face saving coming back to winners. I think that we still have the same situations because where we're supposed to arrive, there was one good cross from Baba and then what was supposed to got the header, it was a weak one. There was another one by Stephen Asari, left cross, and then why was supposed to arrive at that moment. These are key moments. Once we are able to drive the ball from the back to get to that area.
Right. Didi Dramani, head coach, class of folk, now walk far goal scoring problem or the one on I can say and so the rest of the games the ball league in mono 8 matches now home games now has of folk be na Accra Sports Stadium. Since the University of Ghana for say more ACC or Kakra, it has to move your home games back to the Accra Sports Stadium. The fee has a catchy banner on a Yanko Pimo Muni and more Santa Kotoko matches are no whether or not Kotoko bit Magic League and some matches that no Casino no be bien goes as I take over the league. But the Yama da swab be bien able take over. Now the head coach and I say interim coach Makotoko can say Ubia and right off Kotoko yet because 8 matches are winning still league, or bet to me.
We knew if we win this game, things are going to change around. It has happened before with Kotoko. It's going to happen again. So we have to be alert that we take our training, everything, preparation, and everything serious so that we can win the rest of the games. And when we win the rest of the game, definitely something is going to happen. Yeah, if I admit it that there's pressure on me, it's a lie. I'm relaxed doing it because, hey, let it be it. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I'm able to win the matches and they said, you got to go, what are you going to do? Nothing about it, you're going to go. So I'm not.
Right, and so I know the coach the two and of course so many nations the boy mobile nations by 3 goals to the no chimo say pressure none so you want pressure that was why then say be pamu but yeah obey the pressure na dey there say no say my prince here also
That year to it. Now, Bibiani Gold Stars now on top of the table. I know I think the table so on my Giabo so pa any easy cry. Fresh Smith. One on a day where coach my Bibiani Gold Stars was a sunny memo. Sunny moon really papa no. I don't want to pa. Then strong Makako day in somebody.
Yeah, 8 matches to go. What do you want? We have to go game by game, and every game will be a big challenge. But of course, you know, we're in a good situation. Let's keep our effort high and work as hard as possible from game to game. We will go to an away game next week, and we are all aware that in away games, we still have to do a bit of work to come back after a series of away defeats. Keep it up, keep supporting us. We are happy to make you happy.
Wow, and then the Bibiani Gold Stars coach Fred Smith at the two and so on more Media Sporting Club. Now I saw on my job also and they are my tab tosum you know I'm a pressure ya bakakra. Thank you Ibrahim ni on head coach to Media or Kasa for tell Matiaba for money.
I think there's one thing we have to do. We have to keep on working. We have to make sure that we get our next 3 points at home. So definitely we still have 8 games to play. All the teams have a very tough game to play. So we are going to prepare very well for the last 8 games. I mean, if you lose a game, there's nothing you can say. We just have to go and then prepare for our next game. I mean, we lost the game, we lost it together. So we are going to prepare for the next game.
Right, we are going to prepare for the next game and only the Tanko Ibrahim Anyas at the 2 Now, you're mind so the Ebo Bafi France and it's Didier Deschamps after the World Cup. What the Jomadi no ABC na Kwabiazo Biaba Twaso and the Ebo Bane say Zidane Zizou ebe take over the reins of the French national team.
France International and Afensono and Kane Real Madrid head coach Zinedine Zidane Tia Yenya and say France head coach Didier Deschamps Efi Honma ono and fa France national team no e coachi Tia Yenya say Fédération Française de Football aye France Federation no asoye and what this asemi etudwa na papa ni dine de Didier Deschamps ekuta France national team no mfie makomako edunaya emuno wetimi age World Cup e de amomo na wo say Nkane Real Madrid head coach Zinedine Zidane obone homodin edi Real Madrid age Champions League etwaso in Premier Sano obetimi abeboa France mino na masan afomotumapa efra.
So benone the French international team in some more catch ba and the share so me international break e ko Arsenal players no mo wo verse national teams de mun sia say da bi omonko e bi ho aka e bi moto e bi nsa e bi Amabreu, Omo Brepa, and so much more from the likes of Gabriel, William Saliba, Ebere Chieze, Leonardo Trossard, Martin Odegaard, and Julian Timber. Omina Anquanco Common National Teams in the home. Pep Guardiola, the Anchor, the Okan emphasis. Title race night tight, 4 points, and somebody asked our bet just soon to me and Menin Krabiana betche. So there's a game more. Pep Guardiola, I say on any City for no airball. I can't 4 points because if I say Pepper, we need the one. Aha, yeah, like I say, whether or not, or did so bet to me at the league in Pep Guardiola? Wow, I say Pep Guardiola and what in some side to ja. I said your person and is in Quebec 9 points, and when my league in the fight nine the pan. Yeah, well, then someone on the idea. None of Pep ball quickie, as I say, few holiday buying chair, my ball quickie and pay. Major Mudiama is a fiane, Casino Matwas on the idea, so who are today and full part and Abredango. Abredango 28th.
28th year, Saturday.
Yeah, for you, Abraham, and then
here bunch and a body and men came. Maconi tomatoes, ni Jane, near Cocone or Ponche.
I didn't know.
A bed, then
the free. Payo Abra, for so bold.
Yes,
Rabidi.
Mubedi, no, Monso Mongo, Nanamakia for ye last year. Asante Achmago. But dear, with the bread. Yes, so I have for Kenya say number 2. Nana reach one of them once more. Nana, my brother's house will be near that. And I'm sure that I imagine here. Yes, I will free. free.
No here you are.
Bofa multimedia. Yes, Coco
Yes. And yet chairman of
Ansana memenda na ni feed and dame finale ejina mo ewipe na de tie na edidi fufu pa anobeden papa
umpe na apede
wow
akosu ko
before you know unza last market storm Bobloshi omo ma ye nioma
omo de ba omo de ba akosi
Debbie but then ye enyaba
omo de no o me de ma distribution say backroom staff
but there ya
senior
backroom staff no feel good because
odia me ko kan ba ka say
en carry bisa omo ma feel good
ade ya trending udrodi
we did some that trending enya hwe ni nyina ye nkofo me ya
ni for so na masema
Gaddafi over to you
Gaddafi wadaro me ya hia banche ne bo clear
Gaddafi international Gaddafi
ya tie hia mumre bi tomato so no mumre de ye ai na bibia anye kama wadaro ma tikajwa
your next stop be Medina right
sure
Medina market
somewhere
call Easter Medina for mo hwe ni me ba di mo de pa
I was asking World Cup. I was saying they prepared their
30 million.
Yeah, $30 million.
Yeah.
Cover the end of
the cover, you know, supporters. They don't be called name preparation. They call World Cup. Ne bibia.
Yeah, mo family and supporters no way.
Oh, so we supporters.
Oh, so abandon be called.
Abandon kwa.
Na mo no
so. So I be ma kakra.
That's how they are to me home. But when mo family, honorable Kofi Adam.
Yeah.
I don't pay me ma wachi o. Yeah, I dey family ko.
I was trying to do Mario.
Okay.
FIFA say you be winning World Cup this year. You be $50 million.
Yeah.
Runner up, $33 million.
Yeah.
Third place, World Cup. No better also three. You be $29 million. No better also four. You be $27 million.
Yeah.
You better also five.
Who do quarterfinals? That's a 5th to 8th. No. You be $19 million.
Yeah.
Round of 16. We get $15 million.
So be a baby.
Yes.
And round of 32. Also be $11 million.
Hey.
Group stage. We bought first 3 match we now Kofia. We be $9 million.
Yeah.
Hey, send you muye.
And then $30 million.
Yeah, we already have 1.5 million na yebenya just for qualification.
Yeah, different.
It's 1.5 plus we need 10.5 million. No, yenya. No, yebenya.
Efia. Amanfo one ma feba ko makatwa mai.
Well, that argument in the kwasi. As no bia na
no akwasi o isi. Da bia me kasa say eye oman ni nyina sika ho asem ne yeka.
Great. That is why President said
ba se sika ni nyam fam o mo nyam be sha o mo nsam.
Dabi.
Obi akwasi so oye adwuma ye ntwia ne ka no. Me teach bibia.
And your experience you know what you're talking about.
Me teach bibia.
I get it. I get it. That is why President said, yes, solicited for funds. Yemfa a minor seeker and for supporters.
And we see kind of okay, you know.
30 million, yeah, just so they say, right, Ibrahim Mahama money, I do be
a hand, and 1 year solicited for 30 million.
Not fair, they are Bob Bright. But they prepare
David, say, me no tiwe, you quite buy ho, so oh, buy, my car, a person the chawa. Enya wo de bia mu e be ye aban japade ni bia
nti sa na wo pa che
it is ke bia ne cha aban bia ye aban sika
ba se e bibi ntina wo de ba
I was here me say even taxes because o my japade who say dem ti we se me cho 100 cedis so ko hwa tax give tax to dim sa se o bibi bia ye ade ne che aban e be ye aban edia. It's already very mama say, oh, mikuta
$5 million.
And the ma banya, and the car a buy sick car. When they put in contact, I had $30 million. To Kwanya. Yet him say, baby, a dream, minim dear, Sagana bet me up when you woke up. Say we didn't bet me faso. But to get something lesser than how much we are investing.
Oh, football goes beyond that, because see, football is not just what you're going to win and come. the kwakunya in terms of man yekobo man ho daro people are paying millions of dollars for advertisement just see about show with good team big so keke yekoton man no for future see who say mind you higher friend in Ghana and so you can come and invest in Ghana there's a country like that and what a 2006 World Cup date for Ghana
it's a no be nya you so catch me and World Cup
no
going to the World Cup no important thing
the other benefits
we so who say e hint no so qualify kwa na $1.5 million but we say all races the card akwa and here for the bit me cut down the expenditure then check most of African countries be budget on dey.
Okay,
how many of them did $30 million?
Obi compare with before from their bedding. This is Ghana.
Yeah. Phone lines and say yeah, Obi super so then I've been back. You can do your das.
All right, okay.
That's pa. I'm sorry, online. You into phone lines in 0302 211 701. 702-703-704. Now so about Zoom no so. Activate. Nti oba se nya wona wo kasa mute wo ho. Sa wona wo kasa na wa on mute na ya to kasa. So far so good. Ma jema ho me. Obi a jena ho me. Ti ya bie yam phone lines na. Headlines ya dia be. E be fa wampa. E be fa wo. Who say me who say nempo na Monday. Me who say enra was Sunday. Nti me ya me say ha nti Monday nti Tuesday mo wode not no ye na Tuesday. Mo hwa na yan confused days. Because Tuesday
24th March 2026.
And Tuesday yen shanon so.
Udi agrebe fa o
simple. And no excuse no be ba no. And so na me person obi abe excuse. E excuse ntre wadwuma wura bia bradwuma nyipa be ya na ya ye ahomgie bia no esene Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Sunday, Monday. Akisime. Ono abo no pay ye moache.
Ama pa sister fi ama jo so papa wadaroma. Na matese wotia ono abo Kofi Adams. Esa say ope bi akọ ntia. Na ni process opo batan di na dia e na ajeje ne ba. Na sister me na bia wu. Ye fere no amuni me. Me de ka asem awu adadada ba 2 years ni. Na ba ko so ye fere no amuni papa. Na se wo dresse na se ye kama na se ye ne fa. Na ko abo odri sister fia nga na nka oba so ye character.
Mate.
Sister fia dresse ne de ye kumi mpo ye ntokro kitwa na wo inside.
Ntokro be de da he.
Ntokro wo inside na ti ni mu.
Akis me ye kwasen. Ona ba ki.
Sister ba me tia me honorable Black Asamoah Abrem for MP Emma Bibia anyaso be kwai. Na sister fia me be di assembly man no. Na me wo challenges mienu bi wo me peso aso. Eye anhiem na adebera. Me no kese anhiem me kan say network ne nye. MP Emma on be ye network no. Eno that day me gina ho na MC honorable Sabatin Obin. We treasure atu adebera number 1 network ni mu. Me no kese and check the better number 1 Umbeya network we tire sampa papa na me di na ti no we tire sampa MC we tire sampa sehifo ya nya de nti ona bo akis me ni abewra fo nyina say ona bo Sabatin Obin nya me sira no nka akis me
ya
me so nka ho pa na favor no to so ba bia obekọ a ubehia moama wa de hie no on santume enka nana bo amansuni nana no pay ye moache
Mejo so ba pa na mpatwa pom ye die.
Awurade adom ye nkwane ahode ye.
Apasi mechia be mo pasi tupian dia so. Mechia no.
Ojoso.
Na mechia santuma pom manyina. Akosi yewura na mbeke oba MPP national organizer me sese nyame o hira no mtina ni. Na me hawoni education minister akosi ubetimi afro mama ya. Enom di bibia ba ye se frene ka ya de awofo ye bokao. O wa oba no se ai afudi me sojani. Afu eme nurse ni afu eme si ni e tontale ma eso nkra wi school a ni obeka so be no ba ko eye so be nurse wo wi school akwa nurse nche wo tisi ye mfa no ba ko so be so am nim na career de ne ma ko wo mo mfa so ja kra ye mfa wo ndi saka ne ebo na wo fo yesu etimu no mo nkasa ma ye sa de na beto no mo ni ye ma ye
ya da say wo fa so na be 2 pm e do for no pay ye mo achi 2 pm
afia mejo so na mo ya de
ya mo ya pa 2 pm
akwasi sia bo aten Bra kwasi ni abasi aha ya kwa ho na said mate said na meka on say afie ka say ne refi onim say ne kra Monday eti Mr. Chum said holiday no mo ba na escape you omo they thought say na Monday eti said na Mr. Chum make no omo katua no na sisrew tumu e wo Yesu di mo amen amen aha abasi anopai de mabai de bra chief of staff mechiano on Oxman the youth organizer say work for Zongo Caucus our national ma menchi o man pay akwasi me de adwuma ahya na Tuesday me be kwa no me kwan no so am interchange mesere His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say omoye na ya ti efiri ekomakro abusuakuru akronom afrancho ekosa no anopa ye kwa adwuma ye bre we de mesere kotodwe gu fam se kotodwe kura 2 pm mebu omoye na ekwan no muntimi nyemaye na traffic no ano ode wo ha na na me ofa na oja ambo amaso ka enkura ni school agwasin enafemo ejuada ebranda ukuada ya wade fia da won tare ankura ne be hye ye wi ya saka se career day agwasin na me mi so no no ofa no okoto ojambo amabusa no no okoto doctor tare na mame eso nye zoom lion na me ya adwuma Edio, ya me mo.
Adawso, bye, ya da se, na me fa nkomra sumdwe mo. Ye nko ahinso ho, ahia no pay ye mo ache.
Mo want to say.
Ya me ya pa.
If there be am me di me gina so che.
Oh, kafra.
Ya se mo. If there be am pay me mo pie mo dance man o pete koi. Okay. If there be am pa jo on say na akisi mi o say den. O ye assemblyman.
Yeah.
Yen person so how particularly high ye ni assembly man wa ha
oh how
it ye black assembly man oko samini atu kwa oja adwuma no to yem omo to ababiem ti ye ni assembly man be anti
ye only Ghana pra
nya akande fan ye bla ye bel even mu ha
e se fa wa assembly man pre ko wa ko stand na de wa
o ko particularly for assembly
yes o ko stand
you go stand na assembly man no ye nya akande ye o gata kese bi wo ya se ha su no ewura ni mu nso nyina ha na ebe sinko ye dire mu na ye yim ye nya akande bia ade ye sre assembly no assembly ni wo ne megua ye sre ma wo fa bi suma assembly no na mo fa mbe areas no ye bon ba areas no ye wa ye tete gata ho wa ye bia ye be yi gata ni ye dire yo ba ni dire mu na ye ya te se be o mo pokra ye nsa ye nya akande bia ye sre mpeni fo no ye maybe MP ni ba be hwere
okay
Reverend Kwekwado o ba be hwere ye ni na ne gina ho and also okwa ba ma biom
okay
yes Roma ye bre sanitation ye bebe ni na ye tete ani ani ye bejim ti o mo ntwa mo ni me hwere kaka ye mo bopa
right ya men council
ye nko shabo ho shabo ye mo ache shabo ti enka o mute mo ya de ente wonka ente wonka
oh shabo o mute click microphone so are you ready Simon no
o de kona sabre bi opani kase na a relax e twen yi opani kase na opa ye mo ache
ya minu ya ba fi amankwa eni minu ya be ma akwasinsia anopa mi mamuni na ache
ya yo so boate
mi gidi se na mo holidays no eye pa
ne da so a ye gidi mu a
ya da Yehowa Nyankopon ase ma me mfa kwanya na me nchia me MP ye honorable na no say je aka Dijo na machia honorable Samuel Osaisa akodi the incoming Eastern Regional Youth Organizer and na me nemo kasai ebeye bosumini ya honorable Samuel Osaisa akode ashe dwumadi bi ase free registration health insurance card replacement any renewal nina ye de shase free asokore afijase oyoko enne ye de kopiem odwumapo enti me sire dwumapo man a omotie mi nina se bia amra no mra me ye ne card si ebe renew si ebe replace ana ebe ye free fresh registration ni yanyama
okay
mesre aban we onhwe ye Mahama ban onhwe na dum so no no kura na maame na ka na ye dum so na gi ejatum I am experiencing the same thing here enti yesre so omo de omo abodin ani dum so na omo ntimi mu man no a yes sere wo omo fanto ho na MPP yemra me som na yemu yaman me damase
yes ya da se papa Yakubu aba phone line so Yakubu no pay ye mo achen
me so me ba ani me ba ma yakpo asunja kan rahmatullah
alhamdulillah
Paso da fubi ya Yakubu do mo chino fenso kaira de nika me ncha me mbo ba so na mo na mo nka ho makokra ulmai Dr. John Dramani Mahama pacho na po me de
ya me ho ya pa Yakubu
ya da ya sifa Alhaji Katum ana ajiya kande o mun ina timu kasi free offensive anka no mbuto mujuma
when ya oka you kwa went me anchire enam kra mra ya me ya anwe Yakubu wa ba
no offensive mamu
yo ya no offensive na amaye yo yate adaro
yo yate Yakubu yentio
Mashallah Yakubu wonya mukase dan se tu bonya ko pon se won fa yan kwani ahodin che dan da akita be ni ataki yate ya ni dinko
amen
Yankopon fa o maya nkonya hodi kaka mini o frère ma so me bai na me ka chen say ya ma Dr. John Dramani mandate for good years into 1 year and ya nyom for say o mo di 1 year atoto mo for 8 years 1 year only 1 year but to 8 years as the mo ma feel to poto and the can say Ghana for mo to ba ma Dr. John Dramani ma ya throw mo ya fam pa mo den Fanta bana no dia so ye na me papa no ye bi man na nde ye menu me ye enjoy no ye make sure say ye bobra papa ni fanto ye so ye chima ye mani na na mo ye de ta ebe ye ni ga say John mama na nyanti wono kwa na ye be ta enyi ye na nam kabom no mo ye to man no mo ni no ye so kabom ye fanto ye chima ho meni ba mo fam re Yakub do mo tini makra mo
ya se Yakubu
SK Bolas na mene hine wadi nyine mu se ya kase ye wo oboase coffee group
MC papa
be me na je MC adwuma ni nton se ye kabego ya mo achi o ni mo akwa banso
meju so ma me afiama kwa obatampa awo kasa umi na no enso ye tene kre ma me so ho ye
ya me adom bi aboko
dikro na nansia be ma chichikumba so no so ho ye
ya me adom ho ye pa
ye do ba de na se na ma me afiama kwa wata de ne sa no ndi efre no
de bo adawo ma obey de so kan
ye efre no se emre
sisa hobi
ipa virginity wa virginity e wa trazi so akoko dikro ensia so atade esta no so e pa che so nyonko wo chi na puwa no ni premia e ni Obuasi East. You can go see Amankwa. Obuasi East and that's who commentiano. I mean, mo Nedumapa or Bono Obuasi East. Let me if you are a project I could have been a Mede Emma and Cato Fama Mahama. Watching a year a for Elcon Cacra, a year old Jaffo. Okon still water so. I found the water square, but Ghana waters a Fabro man. And then you can say. So who are talk Coco, El Contract in you are? What is Kamai? Adam, Mamma for iron day. I don't know what Papa make your force to say. Papa make a craft for him, say, yes, Canada. What say a craft for you, Coca, and yet, won't be not having pleasure. Open your one you, obey it you, obey you, and you craft for, and one tomo. What from you come to do? We SK Bolas.
Yeah, that's it. Young Opoku Christy Ho. Opoku Christiana. Opoku Christiana no pay ye watching.
Where you was also if you are
Christy.
I don't say if you are when it's one.
I former used to say two. I don't make our meeting say, oh, Yabenya, another Christy Swaka. Hey, Christy, you Yati Opoku. Thank you.
Madame Chameleon is that now. Akra meka efa ekwan na omo eye no.
Okay.
Enfutro ni no kra no de. Ye side he nyina kraza north akwan ni nyina omo adwi. Be wo ma no me be wota so. Am say be ye sam ayi bi ni watching no enkoso. Enti ama enfutro ne de ekun pa kiestre. Water na no mo ye no e boa ye pa so mo ye strom omo nkoso no mo nyama ya sa Enfutro na ewurayen dodo na fa ya yare e de sign fa. Eti yesre. Omo koso na omo water so mayen. Me fa kwanya so ntia me nua be ma Evans Kwabena Sapon of multimedia. Can invite the sports cardinal. Me tia no pa.
Ojo kasa pole bi anse nzakwa. Oda say na yenya son of God and son of man. Son of God. You don't follow where you're watching.
Unmute you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
morning.
Enti o papa en kasa wo phone so. Nyame adom.
I'm so imagine mama so ntama kakra bi ameka afa the airport. Okay. Just Ghana mine need na yebu no. Akwa say yantima mfo no ya di bibia the airport. Ya ni point is there for one. Maybe aban we buy ebobo na chiwi so buy ebobo na kedin sa na nyoma bebre ka chire. Timbasre. Ni anoma ya Ghana say bibia ya we mfa ya kuma mpane mboa president bi obaba so me ni MPP ni NDC na se de bayo man ebe kweli aka mo ka ne mo djuma pa nso abụ nyame hira ho amen na mo kasa fi
hafasini yo yada se yadofo yada se pa na bonsu
incoming communication director for Clote Kole constituency.
Montomano. Yadofo ya mwache.
Kozia.
Dada.
Muchabude mu combination Ghana yedini mu combination kwa mu talent mu postman the better back.
That was so.
That was it too.
Unyame na hiramu.
Amen.
Na unyakupon enkam ho. Na mo wura so me fa hira peace ni kabia enfama no.
Amen.
Abon mo democracy kwa ni also bia kana kuma so ade ni o manya na nya nsa. Ya me sha o ma. Na oni e party say jina John Blood can I call a year the quite. Million na king, Captain Kodia, not a Mr. Mokayano, communication collective, in some better machi. Mr. Macom, my henny. Take a clear make and say, empty above 2 and I said, or more football or more tears in a pan. The sense you can't hear bossy on this test can. And as a consequence, 7 million bar, you have baby sapping mine, a broma. Electricity, omu expansion, but ne contract no eja o ekofie. Na baby say for a density and so to a school for nya kwai en go school. E di no say DC no, SMC no, on the unfa grader e di su kakra. Na contract house ni sam on kan no. Say abroma di to no, on hwenye emaye na penso swame. He also was soon anyway. That's from my president. On to swame. That about was my watch.
Yeah, that's it. Therefore, Vincent Amankwa, I don't pay you watching. That's it. Of you.
Medasi some money has happened here. No goes, me next no goes. Now, last year, a crown forward from Sunyan to Goso. Sakwana and a true near Sakwano. A crown for the sweat trench at pa. Last year, me could nest back one or school or Sunyane. It could tatomo dinner music. Just this month, I may be a year more no more Ghana. Oma ba night or more come talk on former. Just say, okay, can't atutu. Just say, just say, almost money so many because nice no more. Jom when you money na. Me was your police they put 2 and a half 3 because I confront here, you are pointing the strategy. Now I said, you see, I confront me, just I'm confronted dear. All those in finance network, so any problem. I mean, intelligence, Ghana police, Jomo, yes, from us. ye tu kwan ne yam hihie ya kontu ye wosa ye ne se ye wosa na ye prepa
na ben kam ho rade mo ho ban ai mi chia mi kromo mpanimfo nyina na rade kan wate na men kan ho o se comfort rasta Anoma Rasta nie Anoma Rasta, good morning. Ha. Unmute your home, my.
When I come in Anoma Rasta. How the OPA?
OPA.
Okay. Hey.
Anoma Rasta, what's your anchor?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yo, Odikan, Mitia Mukum or my hand, or Sajofo and Uncle Fequa, Otto, and none. We are Mitia, me MP, Emilia Atta.
Okay.
Yanko Assembly do Wahadi. Ghana, DTV, the one show when we are what captain Yokon. Ghana, in Tantamana, good take the biscuit. So one man come and share a captain with the because what happened and I actually and none of me have a panel painful to watch an idea so they take similar native. Let's say what one man coming and show me that and the time group say Ghana issue information be first one. Second, Mamma come out some second one solo. But when you have to form a watch at the rain and consent, so over the lunch and move with our Ghana be a Sims to Ghana. First one, out of the car for body. Second one, also. Share a woman that doesn't remember with him and a prince cast so back down.
This is a the two social.
And I would have no idea why it's the word that Marasta. If that's much, yes, so
will be a
yes, no.
Young quail, Edda, Ivan, so Elda no pay yam watching.
Benjamin so sister Fia and the Braquesi.
Yeah, that's Papa. And now free Hano pay.
Make a Sefi new Tafo Achim, a Boka North Municipality.
Okay.
Other ain't you.
Near the kind of Medan Yankopon and running Yankopon the Afebaco, a car.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yami won't show pa, no one see the won't come in your name was so up with them pa and your dear. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Na me five baby Anoma Rasta ADC
Okay.
Say obi nya bi nhwenti o manga na yemfiri mu group stage no mene na nya adwen. Jeremiah 29:7. O se mo hwehwe o man no yiedie na mo awurade mpaye ma no. Na o man no yiedie mu na mo bedi yie.
Yeah.
Enti se Ghana Blaster akọ ne akọ anima sika ba o man no be de. Investors ne nkofo bebre ebeba. Eno nti mama ye nwen adwenbone ema o man no. Na mo ye fe mpa bo enta echi se dwumadi bi o man ni bedi no o man ni ntumpon.
Amen.
Mr. Bechia be mame Faustina Abna Ampofo Ado. Owo Achim Osim. So be a good definition of a mother. SSA can Faustina Abna Ampofo ho asem echire no. Anopai Nyankopon eni obi biara nya bi.
Amen. That's it. Yemfa your last caller.
Yeah.
Chisco, anopai yem watching. Chisco.
Hey.
Oh, Chisco nya. No, I don't know what Honorable Barbara Otinjesi.
Yeah.
Oh, Chisco. Oko. Ai.
Waba.
Chisco yem watching.
Mejo moso. Moso menka.
Yato kapa.
Yo, ane pe mami chiamo. Yabo mo dia kwa enjoy holidays akese be miensa. Yeah, the Saturday aka. Ghana Black Star end.
Chisco network.
Yeah, the corner, yeah, be ko wake up. Yembo mpa yemfanta omochi. Sika abano dia supporting. But me dey hear me here me mind. Any me kro Pristia woni bali. Titi ni Pristia bogo supro. Efia maka hwase ma say. Momi yembo hundewru. Say akwan na say. Omo mfi bogo so ebesa ko Pristia ebre. Akona medwen akwesi maka hwase me bre say. Momi munsu bi ma me wati na me ebre.
Committee Valley, incoming chairman, Bigger Bay, if you will be a coupon can say, MPP Dimudia, or Babage chairman, why the constituency.
Okay.
The end is for Queen.
Yati square
that's network and
network and yet.
Yeah, no, your health tips, no. Sciatica, yeah, twas so. And Doctor na actually, Ashiti, church near me. Yeah, twas so. 5 minutes, yenche. She's a CA. And then see more about Badum TV, Bedroom Health Tips. Now, what you move, ye Casafa, Sciatica home. Yenny doctor na, and it's say a dream wiki moo, or boy and pa, why no Wednesday, don't worry. And then, yet twas on a Tuesday. Fasadama endpoint homeopathic clinic, and you were inti and the Yaba Nova Wellness Center. Ye disa and community. We are beer DNA endpoint in Casa. 0244-867068. Yari beer, memano prostate no. Scanning near free. Apart from an osalabo bema, over skaka cran to other Roma, Shannon Somaye, and you free 5 minutes, yen chakra. Dog and as your mopaba. That's all Reno Adaje. Ricky Munina, see a casafa, sciatica. And what you open it, if you had a sciatica. And one no. Yeah, your courses. Let me say no bonnet of courses near day.
And see, sciatica no, Cecily and Raya Kayan, sciatic nerve, and say if we. Usisi no moa ekosi wonnan na se nti nyama bebre wo ho a se wudompe no ekosi sa sciatic nerve no so a etimi ekose sa problem no nti no na ye behwe ene nti baako a eya ye mema no ye nnuano mema no mbre pii no be hu se omo de omo wallet eta hye omo back pockets na omo wie so a omo atena so na sa problem no me hu se Emema bebre omo beba ye clinic no omo beka so musisi ye omo ya mebi so omo say wo wallet wo he ubehuna omo yi fi back pocket nti emre pin no ye yi no pope ubehun se na ya o no a start e brass if you say wo de wo wallet no hye ha na what na so a ema wo pelvic bone no emuchia nti de bia no echia sa no
and ye dey hye wa for long
nti de bia wo pelvic bone no echia sa no na afi wo sciatic nerve no eno so entimi ensa ne ye nti afi na we hu say ebia wo nine right one and left one no entimi emfa asem no enkosi wo nine na ase na ayetitiri nti wallet no ehu hia pa se ye be
wallet a omo de hyehyɛ wo
ehu hia
okay ne ye de hye ebia na ye de ahye ha later ne de ahye ha so
enye ne hye no but embre pin no obetena se a na wo refi nti no se wo swap pokra wo tena so pe na afi wo squeeze sa sciatic nerve na fa se ya nti wo tena se pe what na sa sciatic
and we so damage no na je say akosi ache wo
wo ho ache nti no ebedu time a wo bete ya wo na che se problem no awo ho ache nti ehu hia pa se ye be wallet na efi ho afi so no mbre pin no ye tena se a ye type say ye be cross ye nine and no so ye problem ba ko a
and I guess have wo mutu obi a na just say
cross there be and so ti ye sciatica if you say wo cross wo nine na you say me spine na biom un say wo nine wo ha tin bia no wo cross ne say na inkofo bebre say ye right nkwa no mo cross say ye left nso a left nkwa nti imagine setting bia wo cross wo twist wo pelvic bone no ebiom no etimi ema dompe na ewa wo sisi no no eno so nti wo yesa na face sciatic nerve no eno so entimi nsane ye na wa starting asasisi yare ni biom
na no so no enye se just a day na e cause sa no
debi na se wa ya mana bro so nti hu hia pass
mo na ta cross o mo na pa
nine cross ne de obia enkola mpanyimfo omo wo office obia timi cross ne nine nti ya me recommend say instead say wo de wo kotodwe no ebe cross no obetimi across down foot and now ankle no and so ye elegant so tinasi na wa cross one nice yo afi so se dia eya ye tie e pagya niama e free form and so hu hia papa
na amazing for
obia ebi wo basin dey se block obi wo pen keke ato forma obe pagya no se wine ni ye de bia meti wo Nova Wellness Center bibi to formo na me kofa na me take ewo mechi sa keno eno so etimi che se sa rubber na ewo wo dompe no mu no etimi empire enso etimi emesaline ana etimi tochimane na yesa noise ke na che se we
do okra je kena na waka ho one ye pe asamato
anti eno so etimi ecause sciatica afesu so no say dia yetina say ye work omo type wo office be hu obetimi atina say hours bebre on sorry 3 hours 4 hours na no de
kunko
wadane ape why say na oye ne juma nti afo be hu say obepagya wo mu no na wo sisi eye wo ya nti na ehu hia pa say wotina say 30 to 45 minutes. Now I sorry. Now I baby for na fi wasa to.
Dog, let me say courses no doso. Ochana wada ma yen toa endoso ansana. Ya de aka no aba. Wada ma my contact.
No, say wuti fie na wo hwe unim said ni aye kan ho asemi. Utanya sa problems na freyen wo Nova Wellness Center. Ye wo Jowlu e na Kumase. Na yen hwe se de be ya e betimi abo 054 958-6494.
Yada say, eti doctor na yete no enkano we nyina pen keke o fano amfano ye hu nsem ne doso. Fa sedama endpoint homeopathic clinic wada Roma na yede nkomo yi bro no kwa hoden wo ho a kan ho 5 minutes ye nche e beto aso. Yada say ya mwakwa bebiem do Badum TV bedroom so omre ne wadaji a wode ma ya BNT yada say health tips no for Dr. Nancy sia no onyo so ti pain bia obeye ho adwuma kama ama ho dene asaba ba bia ebuye ya no so what say ye fa de kra de we ye bekoto afa no ye nye careful o fa na je ka wanye careful obeka ho Mr. is a problem bi na ya ba ye mfre dog na ontumi emwaye yetime the health tips no eba a endpoint homeopathic clinic adwumakuo yinti ene yetime call Dr. Nahwa ye ne di nkomo nti yare nko ade a say ye infections say ye diabetes hypertension no ne ade endpoint se frɛ no 0244867068 0244867068 eno achi this year Father's Day achede ene edema this year Father's Day endpoint say screening keke na mom ye charge ai wona aba ne ho eyare baye na omo ho atowon na omo da so ba eje won maduru no ache de memma no ode mamu nema no so de efe akono emu odu emu onyaw to unya say you wonya ade ene dog nkasa sisi 0244867068 anopay me dofo Eunice Akatela one na head of marketing the my Heart Builders Real Estate ha ebedim komo Heart Builders Real Estate obapa memu ache
yeah
na bia bokode amofena no odin ay cute ya ka say Heart Builders Real Estate mo ye edwuma ba obi ani real estate dan no ne ade but dia na de mo de musi nko a ana moton sase ye ni nkomo
yo medase anape na memfa wafidi kese sonso na memfa nchi asronko emma ahwefo ene atiefo nso yeda mase bebre na yenda won so ase akwenya amabia maya nape na obhwehwe Heart Builders Real Estate ana obisa se Heart Builders Real Estate omo ye nkrofo benya said the okay no edwuma na guma horo bebre na ye kan wopoto kasem a ye beka say Heart Builders Estate no na real estate no we buy, we build, we sell.
Okay.
Yeton, yeto, enafe, yesi. Enti den na ye wa yeton, den na yeton so. na fe den so na yesi ewo ho ya hye ewo Ashaiman Kaketo Divisional Police Headquarters ye ne di animhwe eho na yewo na eho na yewo na ye di sa adwumadie yi nyina se ye ton ensase a manso eni ho esan se nkran ha empatem ha no se wo ton asase na wan hwehwemu ye na wan di mu nokra wobekwa akoton ade ama obi na beye ne nsohwe na empo emulanga asisem ene nsensem ahoro bebre a me ye sure say utibi na ha builders real estate eno na yafa ede ato ye ho so mfie bebre ni ye koye nim kakra a ye de eboa Ghana man ewo nsase papa eton mu nsase a ensuo ne akane a eben de recreational centers ewo ho de enyumaku ahoro ewo ho na afen so langas eno de ho hia pa esanse obi akoto na asase nso ya pam na free so langas no omo be hawa tete wa empo ebi kowie ewuo na no ene ye bo ho dero se wo peja pade pa edemufua chese bibi anka ho na da bia japade ne mpo ero sika edema ne mfaso ma wa asase na wo hwehwe asase ne nso amenkonkwa nchen na emom be hwehwe Hearts Builders Real Estate yedi no uti yedi na ho say akoma papa na yedi ye adwuma na ye adwuma de aboa Ghana man ya hwehwe daache fefefefefefefe nti adwuma di a yedi titiw ene miensen
nti mo office no wo he na je obi hwe no opamochi akwan a
ye office no me pa ochew ewo Ashaiman udu Ashaiman ye kureso udru ho a ye wo baabi efre ho Kaketo Kaketo so kaye din we nkwa de we simple ana Old Mandela Park me pa cho Kaketo no ye Divisional Police Headquarters ye ne di animhwe police station ni ayensu ye ni ye wo ekwan ho pe ne ho na ye di adwumadie yi nyina ewo ho enti so obedu Ashaiman a me pa cho frɛ yen yensase no for papa
nsase ne bi wo hene
nsase no me ba bebobo akyerew ye won nsase wo mmea ya horo na emu mebembe tema
okay
yensase no ebi wo dawa ebi wo tai kwame anes wo Shy Hills no ye won nsase no session na site ahodo ewo ho nti wo pe bi wo Shy Hills abenya beye miensa site ewo ho eho na ne tai kwame anes no etoaso na de enti amabo mienu ye rani promo ewo ho promotion no ye 30,000 na emom ya teso 10,000 a ye 20,000 promo a ye de ma adofo nyina se montutu mrika emedia asase 70 by 100 dimension ye full plot ebi mo de no minim se bo no wati bi ne bo mo odu papa na ye de promo no ya san teso se hu ye 10,000 kwa na free so brabeji asase mu a eye 20,000 Ghana cedis na afen so beje half plot and also 10,000 Ghana cedis ubenya bi ewo dawa ubenya bi ewo tai kwame anes me pacho ye bi so ewo ningo pram na ebe ningo secondary technical school no eho ene bi wo na afen ye wo bi wo Chopoli ye wo bi ewo Shy Hills na me boy ye wo bi wa Akuse ye wo bi wo me ahoro bebre wo fa ye numbers no na wo frɛ yen a ubeba abeto yen ewo Ashaiman opposite Kaketo Divisional Police Headquarters eho ne yedi adwumadi se ye do bekọ yen saase ya mebobo ekyerewi ye wo bi ewo me ahoro a egu screen nso eso no enti se wo bedu Ashaiman na efiada ene memenda bia ye de asi hwa ye ko site visit me ye sure se wati bi se wo ko site visitor wo betua eka ye no ye free ya do bekọ yen site ni nyina so baby a wo pe no na wa kire se me pe dawa me pe Lochu Boy me pe Shy Hills me pe tai kwame anes promo de no na wa fo ne car na de woko every Friday morning Saturday morning 7 a.m. na ye ko ye numbers no eguso a eye 0540 226 276 ubetimi afra yen sisi all social media platforms and so 0540 226 276 ana so betimi so afra yen e was 0593 266 612 0593 266 612 number si nyina ye very very active ofre yen baby bi ye ne TikTok, Facebook ye akoma wo ho nti wo akoma hard builders me pa che obehu yen ewo miaya ahoro ni nyina na afa yen kọ ye nneoma ahoro nso a ye wo no ye wo plumbing nneoma ewo ho.
Okay, before enokra no nsase no nkrata da so ana se na tie na ya na bi o ha obewie no manso nko ane ade
pa che yo ye nsase nkrata esem ewo ho esan se okoto asase na nkrata nka ho na se wakota ade wo supermarket ni ama receipt da che wo kọ hwa wuntimi mpo enko ka wasem ye ebebu abo aha enti ye nsase nyina no ye side plan ene indenture ye free ya de becho ebi mutua nti na me kire musa no ebi mutua na ye free ye be ma o site plan and indenture bra watua wo sika na wie no ye sika tua mo nhyehyeye no ebo a ye wo ye nsase apart from the promo price no ye wo 30,000 Ghana cedis de wo ho ye wo 50,000 Ghana cedis nso wo ho ye wo 35,000 Ghana cedis wo ho emia ahoro ni bia ne nebo se de ete ope half ope se yo sika tua mo no ya chechem se obetimi atua na bum outright payments ananso betu an installment kakra nti brabeta asase wo hard bill de be free asase beto asase wo free na otuatu an kakra e be ma papers a wontua nso enka ho free
afa yenko ne ma ahodo a mo wo e kan asase no
medase before e be kọ nneoma na me san kai we say your numbers 0540 226 276 ana 0593 266-612 numbers nyina wo frɛ yen a onsa ebeka yen ye nneoma ahoro a ye wo moba esan se ye ton asase nti ye wo blocks na ewo eben asase na ye ton no nti se obeta asase wo hard builders a blocks ne nso eben ho a ye betimi ede abrel ewo asase so eno eye de edikan na fe ye wo plumbing ho nneoma ye wo electrical shop wo ho a wo pe bibia ye wo bia ye beka kirewo de ye ni bi nso ye beka kirewo ye wo plumbing ho nneoma ye wo blocks wo ho ye wo moba a wo de besi wo dan ye wo anwea a wo de besi wo dan ye wo cement nso e wo ho ni nyina nso efo ni nyina efo
ewuramu
a bibia e wom na de ani ka wom ne se nneoma no mpa wo to no nso wutimi free kakra kwapem se ebia se wo pe 2000 blocks a no watua bi na da 20 do 2000 na no prompt ye na fe ya bobwa no e de abrel aba begu ba bia wasase no ewo no na yesi dan so eka ho e dan sie no se bia wata asase wo ye ho wanto wo ye ho ni nyina ye besi di ama blocks no se asase no wo ye ho eni ye ho na apɛ blocks a eno so ye de bebrel de ewom ne se ye hwe wo distance na eno na wo betua na ma mo wo Shy Hills ma mo wo ye nsase mmia ya horo ni nyina so no mo de ye ne mo edi nkomo ewo dem a ma mo ti ase enti se opese ye si wudan ema wa ye blocks no ye wo 5 inches wo ho ye wo 6 inches nso ewo ho ne bo efo 7 cedis 8 cedis no aba abagibi mo tuatua ne kakra ye da asie mo no opese wo si 2 bedrooms 3 bedrooms pachi bedin kan ya ye ho nhyehyɛ ye ho nhyehyɛ a obema ye mu bi 30% na afa ye fi ase na ya ama ye gusu a ye si wudan na no so na wutuatua ne kakra wo free wutuatua ne kakra ye be wie wudan onso wa wie usiketua Hard Builders Real Estate ye no me pa cho fa your numbers 0540 226 276 ana 0593 266-612 numbers nyina ye very active mon frɛ nsisi a ye ne mo be kasa na mmom nyame ya doma efiada ene memenda na ye free site visiting no ma ye hu e wa Shaiman Kaketo Divisional Police Headquarters ye hu a ye do be ko obi wo ho a onibre e wo fiada ene memenda ne kire se bia na adwuma ma ne kwan ana se bibi nti ye wo Friday ya ekosi Thursday na impo ya de Sunday ya beka ho esan say wa Adventist te se me sister e wo ho ono waje contract enti me kama na ya
that's
na de ko
eno ano no nemre no na aso no nti eno wo ni se wo so nkofro obia na akiri abaka se na afia na ano ne number no de ato ho na de mo mfrɛ won na se wo hia nsase a wo afo ani kɔhwɛ na hwɛ se wo document bibia ya genuine afi no atwa so ma yenkomra na ye koba na ya ba betwa so ye basisia era se mo akwa ba bi me Adum TV bedwam na uguso no na Franco Trading Enterprise ya chia papa Franco nyame hira no no kese so so open electronics ho niema bia dia yenko Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa won fie ene ho Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, smart TVs, Franco air conditioning, chest freezers, refrigerators, washing machine, microwave, blender, generator, gas and electrical stove, CCTV cameras. Nini na Franco. One more wobi. Kohona koto die. Ewo Franco number imieni. Eno na no mo kasa wo so 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555939311 0555939311 now on a Franco Trading Enterprise akasa ewo ho oko app no so Franco ewo so download it na onso dia wo pese wo tie wo pese wo hunu hwehwemu bia no wono mo akasa Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie ene ha anopayin so erade adom ye bina dadru say ya wonim say Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital ba ene doctor say wusu etna sie di nkomo eye anopayi o say be kasafa peptic ulcer ehun ai peptic ulcer yentie na emoye yenche kura tie bi ne betumi abo bi anya wo ne nam aye kobayi bi ane akoye bibi na fe akoja yesa ohawo doga no pe mo ache ya bibi aboko de na Dr. Sheikh nso ne ho ye
nyame adom papa
ya na de yentie nso akoma na maye
obete
nyame shira wada o ma no pe ya je ne sododo ya betwen ye nam na ya chene na o famre
papa
sharp yenim de mutumi ye peptic ulcer condition be
mini abade di kan medawase na machia wahwefo ene ganafo nyina on mo monitor show yi wo social media so ye che obia na esre otumfo nyankopon se onfa na adom andom ye nyina na mini abaye ka peptic ulcer yefun yare ahodo na de aman na ye pese ka we hu asem ne se se onim se muslims yeso ye bro nyaguso a yedi free friday ba ne gie mu na se binum akodidi nuane bia omo andi ne ye ida so omo anu ani ye ahonedie no hu nsem no enam no hu no omo ahohoro hu ye ne ade ama James bi abam tie no ase oba ya resabia chese cases na ehwe no 100% no na mu be 80% ye funyare ahodo ana ye funyare so ya pa nka
woni humpo na ado nsa amasaje ana wa miemia mpa
wani ntimi hu chese untimi hu de ekoso inside wo enso so na yawo a wo fam no ebi ye funu huru faso obi bu faso wontimi ye no hwe obi akon ni mu a chese wotene ni mu kura ntene obi ya ona twea basoro ama afi wose na koma ase na koma ofili se bi akoma ni tu atofom esan yawo a ewo ho ehihye no na meni aba ka ye fun yare de ye dosu bebre ye o typhoid so hu ye wo food poisoning ye peptic ulcer disease dysentery mu cholera nyina atimi fa oyem so hu ene ahodo bebre na ye ka peptic ulcer de a ni nyina ye eyam kro ekro abayen ye funu mu na ye funu no is such that because enuane FM niam ekom nyina ebi anu ohye ebi cause irritations na adinenti otumfo nyankopon nim de mu no woye bibi te se carpet a odi ase ye funu nim se ne dan mu se carpet fe semu yi eno so carpet bi sem a ebeboa na protect mucus line na se ye funu nim no sa carpet ne friend mucus line na de wom ne se yetimi ani oma bibre ye didie hu nsem no bi aye nom ne ade na akoma sa carpet na tete nti se o carpet ye tete a emu betutokru nti se carpet na esan ye funu nim no emu ti a bonse mu atutokru yes wonya peptic ulcer na ni oma bibre na etimi kofa ba pempi no hwe de da so hwe ye funu nim na mu atukru sa no ekuro pa na se ne o kan wontimi mfu wani hu wontimi mfa onsanka na kuro we da ye funu nim da bia so didi gum unum so enso kura aka na hwe ye be hyehyɛ se bibi timu na na enso gu so ahwe se ne ye be hyehyɛ nti we na da bia wo didi gum aduane na wo di na bi o acid wom ye funu na so sa produce acid so nti wo hwe kwan be 9 ye fa so enya sa peptic ulcer ibi ye wo bibi e frɛ no ye H pylori Helicobacter pylori no and a dose pa be 80%. And we germs be bacteria bia ye di omu ko yemu fa aduane mu ye nsuo drinks ne ade ye di ko yemu a na afi yakoma ye funu ni mu atwa saa kuro bi de toso mienu bibi e friend NSAIDs non steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs saa nuro ye painkillers aspirin nom brufen nom naproxen nom ne ade painkiller chese nkrofo nom on a regular basis bibi ko to bi no akota nom saa de itimi block COX enzymes COX1 ne COX2 no na block COX pathway no this a blocking na prostaglandin bi ebeboa na catheter say yefunu nim na be hye ne kena na onya ahoden aboye ho ban no na akose no di o mane makra titan bia no bi kakra bi kan yefunu ma na atwakuro the atoso miensan ye overproduction of acid we say acid bi efren HCl hydrochloric acid e wo yefunu nim ye ya na produce tumfo nyankopon nim die nim ye produce a na no aboa yen na germs bi muawa bi ye di koyemu no eku omu na asa aboa digestion a contentem unim se minya ba sa acid no se ye bi afie yam ye hwiegu so a hu nyina abɛwro saa ye hwiegu so a hunam nyina abɛwro acid ni ye hwiegu da de low rate metal so a betima nane no wow enso se egu ye yefunu mu a because of sa carpet ya American ye nti anya ohaw bi a we so nti bibi ketua bi ko distract sa carpet ya e do how be brace ya nti wo hwa de to so enan no eye bibi a ye frɛ no sɛ mucus line no obi de ye 10 na ye sɛ ne de mu wo ha sɛ wo carpet ye wo papa sɛ wo de papa kama mu du kama ye wo de mu ha ene bibi ketewa bi kan na etwa kuro sɛ ye funu na kuro nti sɛ kuro wi na wo so di gumu num suo acid aduane e bi acidic medium ma ko se ginger pepper ne ade nyina ekom ene spices ahodo tinyame amu asa kuro wi eso mu ne de yawo ba wo ye funu mu na etwe ba aboso obi de etwe ba ne boso a na afi etwe ko na chi bo nse na chi na ankasa no ayi se de sebe na chi kasa no emu bua ne sa ya we very unbearable wini aba na we nyina ye wo hawa hodo ekoso doso bebri na ne nyina chi no Amen Scientific Health and Alternative Medical Hospital say wo de na tukuru kakraka say ye ketwa sa ama wo ya wo no oje wo ba bi anyi ebi mo bo funu omo na se omo be fi omo rane omo ye funu chese obi o wa ekom de na abuei aduane to ne yemu abuei
okay insufra gu ne yemu
abuei science peptic ulcer ibi wow ti de e ka che omanfo nse wo de no se ne tie bia no otutu anamon ba Amen Scientific nyame adarment ye be hwe na ho so wo de no ye tu ase amawo na adane adanse de obi se ono de ono madura na ya ona kofom omu ana asa sorry because unya time nhwe ne ye oba Amen Scientific ye se ne be tu ase no there's nothing like recurrent ulcer and say refractory ulcer kona ba be ya da bi ye be tu ase ne a kire wo hu ne oma o ye a emabiem ye se bra Amen Scientific ne yemwa wo ye nhwe adanse de yi se ne ba oso bechi odie no ebe ne adanse de se ya ye nhwe adanse de
nti na ne adanse no bi no dog
yes
na yakwohwe obi de dem so kan ya rebe miensa bomu wow then so mo ba amena adominti apomoden beba yes said nkofo di adanse ene my contact ne
yo mini aba Amen Scientific Health and Alternative Medical Hospital Ghana ha de yo ba bia na em say braininti enkran ha de yo dome Snet flat ne nchen wa eco train da de ne so ho no na e ben dome market ben dome crossing ene e ben Tantra Hill runabout sa anso na okọ spinters impatem wa ye wala shibi klagon e ho ne Goi filling station no ene di nhwe animu ene e ben Ashama Nanda bridge ne pa ba bia obi a no se ne medical kan ye ben wo na yare bi e ha obi anye ye fun yare nko a fi utiri so kosi una ase ye se o ma amena enka se o yare ano ne adru odi a ne se obetu anamon make the effort to anamon no esan se sika kra na opa ji se otu anamon ekoye adwuma saa nso na opa apomden a otu anamon na waba Amen Scientific na nya metimi ntu ye di mfidie ni nro krogen aboa na nso adi e wa apomden kwa so apomden wo hoyi enya ahonya eya ahonya ntimo apomden ho nsem ehia frɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0244 227192 0244 227192 020 722 9505 020 722 9505 0245 275 254 0245 275 254. Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital. Allow Shafi. Nyankopon ene yarisa for. Tuso bra na bejo yarisa.
Yeah, that's Dr. Sewusono no fi Amen Scientific and Herbal Hospital, Alternative Herbal Hospital. Na ete won kano. Yare ni yare bia hawadwen ofre won bejo so. Midi afia amankwata maklo fufu party baso nyame yaduma memenda. Ti we die modaro ma nananom panifo wo banche wo bodie wo nantwie odwane akokko ko bi ne adwene meko tomatoes jene nyadoa tomato bibia fabra because ye be die hia ne yasanka ye won e be no anuano so de wo wo ho e bia wo fa odi ma ye na fa odi ebra anuane ne de wo wo ho ye ke edu adaromanti ke edu gasovin onso amma ye bia de no ye de no aduane ni free ti de hia free wo ho ne banche ne bodie ne menkai ne nam ene atosodie no wadaroma mfa moaye se de da mo ye no no banche ahemafo ne bodie ahemafo onso amreye mo de ma VIP buses na wadaroma e be kwa akofa na fe ye nda no 28 March fufu party no aye krabehwe midi afia amankwa tamaklo umre no wada agenti medase Mrs. Boatin Jan medase sabribia woni sode yeye na wo kamfo ye yedase papa ma me Boatin the fancy door Mrs. Hassan my one and only client papa by crowd ahusepe etwaso
bedroom ahosepedo and then I live from the kitchen osana yare ya huboaboa eshia fufu party on the 28th if you had a obese when you also catch we I mean dey o de henanyimi a aha ba ye mo papa na za osi henanyu odo aye baba ye nyina anyi de yare ba no ye bezi fufu free ere ba ze hie nyinara eye wasanka mohia ingide benya wa you wa eze wa pempem this don't go teza e benya fufredo so the fufu vendors papa ni nyina abo ofie ha de ndamda no na de yare ya hoboaboa na ye hia o memenda ni ntino nda ye nyi Afripap se urban local dishes are ono na otsedo nyina Ghana man thi nyina no oka ihe no ho wa be chechu different snacks and the juices are Ghana for ye wo first na ye ka juice ya dwe de na anyi orange juice every day be Afripap wa chechu hen papa na you prepare for fufu party ntino this week is Obama hen fufu delights Obama hen fufu na on different into no antebane yes and they pay moachi
yeah wow what the name
na me na do mu ye papa na kitchen had so aye hum papa me hu spices so to Ghana yankasa henez ban papa tomatoes okro wa hade dama na nkruma nkruma wa ha carrot wa ha anyo onions wa hade damara na garlic so chale bibia ya set wa hade na nde yere abazi
and the ye nkatankwan na fufu
na nkatankwan
inyo fufu na nkatankwan wala nyim timtim no ana na egudo no
Africa obi more hints ndame no nkatankwan no
and the minyim den da wo nereba ehu minyim den na wo nereba ntime ma favorite me sha oboba sha oba
Africa boy too much I should have you need to come out or say papa Sunday I mean my favorite again me no agin nkatankwan wan kasa na fufu so de adebo nkatankwan a arade na bibia
na nyim nkatankwan me yede ya
abazina ezri
akokwa awa ahoa tona ne yede akokwa awa aho
mo na modwundo ya confirm o ntonya confirm oye akokwa awa aho
enyo akokwa awa aho o different flavor all together ntono na de bon kwan na asa o sheye
okay. Nice. Into no Samara eba kitchen hades ya set and there is the first fufu of the year on Adum TV and yes a brown or your fufu and nkatankwan yes a kukwa waho smoked chicken and yes a bay into no sisi amusha most doing so na echede ye na nkatse no nya baza different
me the tomato paste and I'm the frank cat in the meat chew mukakra them now we release the oils no
Saying Joguma on cherubin. Obebin Sisia, Nana Maria.
Okay, now me would do Sulugman, do Suka
Kragum. You did Suka Kragum. The pedemi release into why a cranam in Suka craft, Radema, Kakaka. A new Susa, obey. Natural than Quanana, a Janet. But when you're near Yechum. Yechum, until no Mubabin and Sana, ye de Gunam.
Okay. I am Tamu, then Confo, a bill hall do Subumaye, and Sana would see Ijado. Mioka say Auntie Banana Banon or a ball banching. In your bunch of ball. In your most mobile banching. What that? The banching our bon fair fell come. Into no, young Brazil so I ready how you come on chair. Yes, a banching in a Brazil, ye the best Ijado. Now, it's way what is smoking a day. No, Yaza,
your season Kakra. Your season Kakra, but on Shada,
Mamma, no one cuts in the moment. Now, it to Nasi, fair in the Sodoma. That's it. Azachi, and then obey a tomb. Because Majorca say, Charlie, woman, I ready, you two, maybe I come. One chair as a banche in a Brazil, yes, a besido. Now it's ne fear, bet it's a bet it's tell it to me in an name there. Or yeah, maybe they order hen and you me hen or war. Adum TV, your name here out comfort and Joy FM streets, Joy FM streets in one of my elbow. I put it for online car, elbow fun of first street, Shema. Ozobaba, you streets and again, Baka, you know, I enjoy for special. Maka show there, Bass, hora, Ghana Hade, and young Kren Gutio. Upon we been on me to Canada this year when I'm bassing in Ano. When you know about Fee Hade was stands, and Wahadea, were about not Wabe for free in my easy. And pay ye a pair baze. I don't see if you pay in a yadam. You're more for Charlie Ghana delight for parfum. And he found a better mass and me. I did not see the door. A painting no man you who from Catano and no let show. Charlie. Oh, quiet now or smell good also. About them power Ghana is a man who you know. Charlie is a man who smell good. Oh, there's one or inviting. It's one of the fair for that mammy funny day. Mommy funny day. Into no say whom I had it on I more power is in Araba or son on chair Afri-pub. Or the Africa, me Charlie, I BB and come was some chum, Bonito. As there, oh yeah, and smoked chicken. No, aha, who can I no? As there, a season can cry. Tabas numbers is a good Medanio Cacrego, and Mamma no, a man, me, or friend and Tiana, a cacra, or friend and Rosemary. Okay, and other local spices, Nana Medafra, and Tonana Medea, in a yard book. Namudego. So to me, Benyam. Oh, Debbie, yes, spices. In Africa, the local spice, no, the penny foreign spice be our made the garlic and onion, me many monos so namadu. Okay, now I don't want cacra. Okay. Into no, no one Samarian. Now, yeah, care there. Dame in a Ghana, months there, but so or about do, or if you your dahin and you and Ponoebian into me, Macay, but me vital, papa, oh, book home, boxing, arena, Babaka, you know, now Ghana monthly, young crown and a big, or some of your chassis and your chassis. I came most my and cranny, Charlie, home. Now, don't see represent as yet, so to be a guy, or boy, and papa, into no. And once a Moranian, you're crown and a big, oh, book home, boxing, arena. Now, and you don't see representatives and putting a bishan on one. Or as I Ibishia, or Adum Brands presenters, Ningina, and make sure Adum TV presenters, Adum FM presenters, Asempa FM presenters, or be someday, or be Ampocheno. Philip was able to, about Honomobi, about Honom, into no man you who favorite presenter, and you want I don't crampona, work a catch him there, who know my hinacha, a baby who know Ghana month there, into no shy hand or book on boxing arena on the 27th, or no, Ifida, at the China, the full party, my bro, and I said, I have no Nancasano. Oh, your matchy, we've got you. Charlie, baby, you want to catch me and you want my young, you know. You catch it into no book on boxing arena and a part to it be share on Honum Ghana month there, but no Obokodo. Now, one mara so one mara and a dummy finals no Sobokodo. Now, dummy no so meaning parties when we did you. most my shase one can have yes, but some court takrade, ye free takrade, but some court kumase. Now, since you are champions in the young one, oh, Accra, takrade, no, new kumasano, ye by your finals, ye by your who is who, one and your one into the Irbish go book on boxing arena, Ghana man there, but the other brown, that me finals no throw cordo on the side. It's jolly. You baby, I come out if you baby, I come about joining in. Oh, book on boxing arena, baby, I know. Share on them not into my young crown, Ghana man, not yes, also young crown, or yet dummy, finals no, my uncle, ye papa, passes. I do him, mail there as a sort of tomatoes, no,
off or rufado. Oh, Fadra Pana, Yanyam, near Degum, near the Cotton, so Mukana Nanyan. Yanya Kumanum de Fufudi, Edinas and Kumada.
Africa bomb what's castle. Kumaga cradle, what's up? Baby, Nanyan. Into no, a bit more on my 1 tomatoes now, I don't know, I won you one chan. I would be who they would do. Then
your pen and tem cacra. And whilst that's a commodore. To the Pedibia, or who Fado Cacrabia, Nanyan, Bibia, you okay? Obey and one chana, son, obey. A long process.
Okay. Oh, yeah, pardon you trying to shortcut because me who matter cranes around. Me who matter because shall I pay you name catch the fufu or invite the people. It's inviting the people into no matter cranes Traffic baby to now chebia. Tim me about bedo hasisi ama ye chawdamo. Na fufu na pa fufu de chale o moto. Wonu wonyi fufu. Ebi o fufu no za wa fufu ko ba ya hwe da maza wa fufu sunye mo so fufu. Chufa you say they need chande. May chande no why smooth come on. Maybe your rough edges be want to know. As a matter, I see you. One chebia. You have a servo so honum come at it. Into no Afri-pap and wahade or ye fufu amahen and now fufu and onye and katsonkwan. My favorites, your favorites, our favorites. Yeah. It's Afri-pap. And Katano Achwachal, Katana Twatch. Oh, Edem, one big papa. Yenasangumam, oil for shape. Oil for shape. Eh, in Katawa for shape, who be that? Eh, in Kati, Moisha Budon. Moisha Budon, and Katsi. And a yacht son, oh, Hadino. Now, Charlie, Sunday, and you luncheons from Ma. I'm going animal bone commoning now. I'm commoning in our bro, Charlie. And so my lunch, one of the most beautiful lunches America has been Messi Ashe in it. Okoye, or ye kama. Now, my country this season 80 day, Bob Wajuna won't say do. As because the array and your markets, launch in a crowd, you who there, your bay and your markets, since my end of once fast, Charlie, one away so in Assassin's and Franco Trading Enterprise for a woman's sponsors in the dorsal when you're quite more listening in our media amo. Now, at the Homasi, ye papa. Now, you're a cow there. So my ya launch area into no why you consider the hen 4 p.m. I don't see when you time the dog. Yeah, but share so my I say as all cocodo wiki when I sing night niaba bro into my messy bibiara or Adum TV do Afri-pap a can't young had the other fufu and Katon Kwan the Brahen. Now you would really bringing to know major since you're not in pains muno a cordon don't common on bon common house I'm so made and me feel flavor no one I see bon common studio hall now me feel flavor no or kitchen had a no been more june some broke a cry so no Charlie over to you since yeah
but even I say baby what's my the fancy door hey baby what's nice one she said I catch you that yes, started from the 1st of March 2026. You're equal to the end of the month. So what we are doing here is fufu party no baso memory da. But dame deba and so baso. Then fufu party no so echiado. This is remember what my edika kadeti me yam bofu different ko nyina fufu party ya edi Force local say what come about medium one is asante voice mo say ye de ediem alpade say ye ne won na den alpa fu na ye na ne won na den pa utimi mie woni so na timi wo wie na ukodware na abana se ye de enkwa na gusu de amo a otimi se bia ehye so mabo thank you ye kwe be sa de abo wura sa na ye fo no ere akona se kese so confirm Afripap se ono so from this month nyina no wakan ho ebo am ye hunu Ghana enuane na ebetimi nkakra o yakase efi betimi di abra ye hia se betisika fre botom ya kwabonten akwakoto bi kakra wachire se nesimye krukri se nesimye atwemo ni ma kakra sam se otifie nyina yesuesua ne mapa de efimidin de akwasi ensia pese brain na edrusui so brawe do se ye de perfo betna se atwe enkomo ne ye ne the majority chief whip ene ba bekasa ene anopai ewo fidua mu ene ba be di enkomo ne anopai about Ghana's parliament, about the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, about the NDC. Yeah, Omawo Abai, yeah, John Dramani Mahama, Edi Enimu. It's for you to Ebra, who question me up say bisa ora, Ness Dafiamapa, ubet me for WhatsApp number is 0531 029 795. 0531 029 795 ya faudin en baby a de free bar account and my quickly here some do am double kata de aba abonten ene anopai and the mu ensem Daily Graphic double kata enie also big push prioritizes local contractors 490,000 jobs targeted under infrastructure drive road minister and ekanisi. So there's also this report say so be akoso under the road ministry. And then the Minister for Roads and Highways, and he's going to speak on it. Etieti sasa no near here found to report na abano. Etimi anyhow and come on credible. ENP donate $5 million to Black Stars. Fundraiser mobilizes $11.5 million. That's 13.97 million Ghana cedis. First Farmer Services Center starts. Strategic national investment in agriculture begins. President Mahama declares at sword cutting ceremony. Daily Graphic, the wakata, no. Daily Guide, the wakata, Sudie. 2 sets of twins die in Galamsey pits. Ready. Galamsey says, "Sembia with you." Itu amana kura yen kataso. Galamsey foi. Deepening stakeholder engagement, Baumia direct minority. IE Chamber of Commerce and Industry back ENP Daman mine acquisition. Let's protect Muslim Christian harmony. President John Dramani Mahama. Big push target local contractors. Daily Guide, the Wakata and Sononom. Daybreak, the Wakata and Sunye. Macron honors upon Pepra with prestigious Commander Award. Dummy and partners file misconduct petition against police officer. Oil prices surge after Trump 48-hour ultimatum. Management lied over patient on floor video. Kolebu emergency doctors. Daybreak, the Wakata and Sonono. The Chronicle, the Wakata and Su Enye. ENP to invest $1.2 billion in Takwa and Daman after $650 million investment in 2018. Deploys 30 heavy-duty trucks. Consolidated Bank staff steals 1 million Ghana cedis and $139,000 from bank. Court told. Eish. CBG. You don't want to go. Bank Nesiga and asset deposit is for Sika. CBG staff steals 1 million Ghana cedis and $130,000 US from bank. Wow. Hey. And you see, Ghana DP's Green Economy Drive with Tree for Life initiative. The Chronicle the Bokata and so enonom. Overseer the Bokata and Sunye. Overseer the Bokata and Subo Amane said, Dummy and partners file misconduct petition against police officer. Minority calls for overhaul of parliamentary training. Innovation drive Ghana's agricultural future at Nobi Farms. Baumia reportedly broke. Skips Idil's celebration cooling off in London. Overseer. Reverend Odame donates to Nyankumasi and Nkro Eid Festival celebration. Fifi Kwete 6 hope to Zaneto Admiral Rollins as reshuffle looms. The overseer, the Wakata, and so Erodom. It's when it's a mudo at the Wakatano, and the Ebeja so and Anope. Na Anope Sumanyan, yes, Quajo, yes, we must see a demonstration. Disabled for no. Yeah, I say disabled. You see disabled for us here demonstration. They didn't papa say almost a demonstration from Adabraka, yes, Adabraka to the Jubilee House. Kokacha Ghana Mampani say about 300 Ghana this year a war pepper some year you must remain unemployed. Na ban page may be emfa emma omo enye. E try se betimi anya empanifo eda ekuano no modi enkwasa na ne owura Nelson Dafiamapo ahye enkomo no enso asena omo enchire what exactly the petition of the common mampede no what is it about? Enyuma be no mo fi say available currently for yenyuma se bi omo edi edem ya ban emfa emmo no enyuma no e available ho so betimi akọ enyuma no anya bi akọ ya nam eti eno so honum ye be koni akwakodi eno so eho enkomo so madika ka fo adwenkyere ebra WhatsApp number 0531 029795 0531 029795 your WhatsApp message WhatsApp number ya do message na ebe fa so e de ma fa odi ni ba bia o message ni free ba enso e kan efa emaye mekwa amanso akwakodi enkomo taw aba America catcher say ni enwam disabled for year obaka mo abomu say omo petition ekwa His Excellency John Dramani Mama Gilbert coordinator e de ma wona asebio e de dem kabam ko man Ghana mo Gilbert bako de
mini akwesi mpacho me hoye mi kidi se won so hoye
ya mi ade me so yes modro hefa
ye ka say apena ya converge ewo Aka Rehabilitation Center enche ye bishop ye procession na say aposifo enso abeduru afen so ye ni anum ni bi na bi fi tamale bi fi wa e bi fi boga e bi fi kumase chafe na bebe na bidu a enche kra no be se medua santem no ye be fi dom na ya ta tie se ye tu anamo na bebi a be ko kane UN office eno ewo Nkraha ministries won e bedi kan ede nkrata ade akoma wonom na yamo mahu se mra ye for United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities UNCRPD Ghana for ye buso mra UN for ahye de ama ekuo ni ma nyina maya omodwan UN se eba no nipa omodi dem ho ensem kan a ye dwuma sem ene de akeka ho no wonom ebeshena amino comply with that and brave. Now also Ghana, in fact I'm running here, but even though the DNS here since 2012, yeah, ratify no. I'm running and saying here, MP, when you baby candy and cat, if you want more, I could see the anniversary office of the speaker, Parliament House. I've been cat at their command, I say, baby, Katamafua or woman, if you are. The best time minority and majority leaders and so the more monka can be. Okay. And sana the need the trim
office of the president and kata in kata de common pen.
Okay, it's a Gilbert Menti we are say Mumanfo no epe adwuma no munyaye.
Agozi ya pe adwuma e bia pe adwuma be se mfie dunum. Mfie edumiensa, mfie nsia, mfie dunum mfie dumienu ni mfie du. Any bebre na wo mencha o pese oni bi kasa kra metua ma oni bi akasa. And me medical aye o correspondence asana for naba.
But ye ba ho no ba ma metia se o. Adwuma na Mumanfo epe no eye ankrankra adwuma no wo pa bu kwan. Anaso mo pe aban enuma specific.
Ankrankra adwuma de wo pese de oman yetie no. Ya na yenkofo no bebre kope ankrankra adwuma na akwasi discrimination adwuma pa di tia yen. Onya hu wa irrespective of certificate akuta no. No we dika aja se untumi nya adwuma no. Ya na ankrankra adwuma no kra de ye brand san de nya. Ye mo abanyuma no so te say bia civil service, te say local government service, te say audit service, judicial service, enomne Ghana education service teaching. Ye go fon bebre na akoye nkofo mo sua education. Ya omo ye teachers are mature licensure exam CB. So omo ye qualified to teach. Sa nkofo yi na say be aburu ye ka o masemi.
Okay.
And say the make no. Ebinuma trafie infie du num ni akire. Na obehwa Emrano Ekase, Nipo Modi, the Osha Persons with Disability Act, at 715, section 9 of the Act. Ekase Nipo Modi, them, Nakosia, Asibiano, and Kaban Shepard Sankophone, we are qualified. Young Mako School, we are a boarding Katano. The better baby, I ben na Yapa Wonum. I think so, a ban uncle Kremaya Wukenya. Bonif be a tax incentive.
Okay.
Did you buy a fair? Uncle Fuino, you better form a dream or private sector. Name private sector, no so first independent memoir. As I buy and so also as one I say.
Yeah.
It's my memo example. Maybe I don't TV and after multimedia.
Yeah.
More for a nipa best 20 a dream. Muti okay, nipa 20 a munum. Yet I saw me nipo medidam. We are qualified or we are competent. On bet me a man. Mufa Sanko Fona, I buy okay, and run say, yes, I buy and say, say multimedia for any panumunti. I buy okay, multimedia, more taxes are mutiano. The Musumi be say, 200,000 Ghana cedis, and multimedia, mutiama buy.
Okay.
I buy to me the move 5% at the attack multimedia.
Okay.
Say, they encourage multimedia, more. I say so, if you are despite group for to her, one will say, oh. The multimedia for fire no omunya sa tax incentive dia yes you be for be near to me sa support no.
Okay.
And it is what I think say tanko for here come to makwasi omuya incompetent and after omunya nkofo omu qualify. These are people.
Eti Gilbert mam to ask you krata ya mo de kokoma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mo ebrebe da so hwe ne mu se ye be fa the next akwanya de ma abadwumafo a yemfa mo nkrofo mehiem anase wonye ne tay
esi ano de abadwumafo no akwasi ya awe hu ni say usually omumie system no obi kuta letter obi won say protocol obi bisa no say protocol akwasi misumi nkrofo no sebi obi otije ma obi ote babato ana ote atebu ya ohun ade ono onye obi ana wakotie kama no sika no kra bia bi nyi ho ana oni minister bia na wakosabi one no akoye sa protocol no ndide ye ka tra ban ne say apart from say sa ban fani page ma on fa yen crop no sisi ano ye no ye financial clearance I no near separate from other financial clearance ayo mu release no dan release money po mo di jami tan di pa be sa hasa ya ye ko masemi na ye fa wo mu nyumanyumam omo mpeto mo ko tra ade obi a tra ba bi o pese okọ
okay
ye this nkata no edi kan di ama aban
okay
e wo da nkata da so ho e betumi san di ama aban bi ebi obi pese okọ di ye ko tra ade a akwati ni the clearance eyi no aka no ho ye de ne ko do pese okọ local government do pese okọ ebi a civil service do no pese okọ ebi a audit service what are competence no na ye design nipa ne eden eko ko bebre na ye courses akese computer engineering, computer science, petroleum engineering, political science, social work, education wo UCC yo mo ye teacher for betumi ata dey secondary school any even friends basic schools.
Okay,
these are the people akwesi ye come asem say yɛhia clearance ɛde ama wɔnom na aban and prioritize woman na yen form adwuma.
Gilbert Mera say empenfo amode krata yakwa akoma mo ba akwa be kam self dwem the majority chief whip o ha eti menim so free oba ma hye ye free no ba je wo krata no e dey free mo say before say mbekọ mampane enchen ona mo da fiam apo
no
radi ya me to be so
ejuma ne edin
Measure ye.
Minua, you are doing it.
Majority chief whip.
My main fire, Aquania instead force, any actual force, my catch kakra.
Okay.
Now, no more city no pay. I say, yes, she said no more bien sana. Tell me to America. Okay. Tell me fan chami.
Matinti. And yeah. Mario TV so pacho. Ti se bedia tumu a e bechem. Ona parliament say,
"Oh, you wadum. Your pimso a say minim say ya na u follow e, u share ni ya koso ne TV so your channel. And raw data from chamber nti your pimso."
Yes. If say me any dim ko wo so de de let be able disabled for. So matna fie ache. So mudi kan ko UN de krata akwa komo mo no maka mo se omo hihye ya Ghana de ne sa hye se abadwum se yefa amanfo adwuma bia yenya be se 5% fama se bona edidem ne Ghana ye ni so mo free UN no mo ba mo honom after so mo de krata be ma speaker of parliament on be ma majority caucus on be ma minority caucus and some from our presidency. I don't Mr. President. Somebody Democrat, but do you think it's a people bit me idea more?
Oh, and she say I say Parliament ye did him near you, and no na
okay.
Yeah, she shamran Obekaya as far back as 2006 or so, President Kufuor passed the Disability Act. You know, and subsequently, you know, we've come to pass the Affirmative Action Act. Yeah. And the all legislations are, as I said, a buana, and she say, yeah, we take into consideration the interest of people with disability. And say, you were a buying crab baby hona or yen she share na on factor or more ina, then not a two sinkakra.
Okay.
Na a timbra. Until the say, petition, but me sure him say petition him no, they will itemize or articulate the issues. Say for instance, Parliament, your 5% na say your BBR recruitment in terms of BBR no 5% threshold now I work for people with disability. Then they can give us those data. Okay. Then we can remedy it. On say a review.
Yeah.
Enti ukai entities are yes now to me I take steps to remedy. And we'll look at the petition.
Okay.
And we will say a lot of fiscal structures ni adanya ya buying and any crowd dying crowd yeah first nice steps when
sure
the CID work way just to cater for people with disability. Enti consciously no. We are taking steps to remedy that. Issues be will resolve it.
When you minority for who ye?
Oh, minua kwamna. Any nidom.
But I said we anticipate majority can be, sir. Is it because you're okay with nearby war, you know, and now don't care about the challenges now?
David. You see, for the past 8 years, you know, the cocoa sector, they came to worsen it. It deteriorated.
Cocoa sector
in 2017, January 2017. It deteriorated by the time Nana ne abai omufisu, and I can give you the statistics. By 2019, in excess of 1 million metric tons.
2019?
Yes, 2019, 2020.
Okay.
Which were the product from efforts in 2014, 2015, 2016. And so about by 2020, 2019, 2020.
Okay.
Now, in 2019 and 20, no mekai, African Development Bank, BCMB, near $600 million. Say, no. Once a year, a lot of improvements in the cocoa sector. I should share one son, yes, I should share an son, and you fear ban. A bini cocoa rules. I didn't know. So, the cocoa rules, your politics or chroma, and to obey your audit cry. Because now the air say, acquire a cocoa, and mia, your dog cocoa. As I say, you improve acquire. Send a bear, ye tick cocoa, no near hatana. The share bottle more bit me as a sadia ba cocoa bands and sana about pot. Omuba the bear politics a cocoa rules no one to us. So it affected haulage of the products. Then number 2. Omuko boss I be saying the bar parliament. Omuka say they were coming to rehabilitate all ancient cocoa trees. Just a cocoa trees 30 years now. Okay. Almost be to try from. 2, Solinsu disease. Almost be year few. It was all part of the conditions in here. This kind of man, your boy, Bisiano. Solinsu disease. Almost be year few. Almost be irrigating cocoa from new ones now. Yeah, but don't know. Okay. They will irrigate it. I just say around the clock. No, the biana is your cocoa for no. It's not cocoa no. Ebeni kama na so kama. 4, they resurvey all cocoa farms. Almost say assuming it's all 10 acres of cocoa farmer on the ground, 10 acres on paper, 10 acres.
Okay.
Almost we see warehouses. Ama in advantage points are transporting of the cocoa will be shorter.
Okay.
In terms of haulage. It will also reduce smuggling. Because arguments of the by say, Umo be some Susa cocoa in Fabia, Western North one come now on the cross border.
Okay.
So all those conditions were given. Sikano, we are normal draw down $335 million.
From the 600 million?
From the 600 million. Irrigation, amwanye. Cocoa rehabilitation, amwanye. Solinsu disease, amwanye. Cocoa rules, no one. And what happened? So we plummeted from in excess of 1 million metric tons
in 2019, 2020.
In 2020, 2024, more back on that year 450,000 metric tons. So that's the okay. Meanwhile, employment-wise, they doubled the workforce of cocoa board. Even people on contract on NDA and a casuals and NDA. So they overburden cocoa board as an entity in terms of workforce and wages. And then output has declined by half. And the cocoa board, cocoa subsector, about 2 years. Na ewo haumpa.
Enu tina ma montimi ntwea akuafo.
Dabi akuafo ni kooko ye kokari ni etu omka de ye peg to the world price.
Okay.
Enti ekosoro ebitua ekosoro ese episketua. Eba form so you must react.
So mo se de moto dada no. Omo bre. Omenyom sikadabe.
Oh, abanya ye nhihye se me sure say so obeka finance minister. Obey a major policy statement as part of the reforms. It's taking steps to pay them. And I'm sure they will be paid very soon. I need to get that data, but I'm sure that by the end of this quarter, it'll be to you. I'm very certain.
By end of?
This quarter is ending.
It's ending?
Yes. So, you see, yes, some major policy.
By end of March.
Yes, by end of March. Because you see, yes, 2020.
We are majority.
Yes, I'm speaking. I know.
Listen, by end of March.
TME.
Okay.
Major policy reforms. So, I see he's been directed by the president to take very concrete steps, including finding resources to pay the cocoa farmers as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And as soon as possible, it's been like 2-3 weeks. So I need to get that data.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But I'm saying that the cocoa farmers will be paid, if not within this quarter, as soon as possible. And you see, it's a major crisis, Iowa.
Yeah.
You see, trying to rehabilitate the issues, trying to sanitize the sector and streamline things, even including systems, Iowa,
yeah.
There are going to be a lot of changes. And we are working on a new legislation for Cocoa Board as an entity. You know. So, or press conference, then no Nkosiaga. Cocoa for me, I mean, I know do cocoa. Me na no cocoa for enchi.
Okay. It will jam.
Ah, the jai.
It was a bind oka.
The offer no more. Enti a issue we are all trying to resolve. But I'm saying the issue is Sesenia world price no decline here. Yes, we reduce the in-country price. But initially, the argument was they pegged it against what Cote d'Ivoire was offering.
Yeah.
But later, Cote d'Ivoire will be reducing.
So, what say NPP free power na virtually or collapse the cocoa sector? And then the John Dramani Mahama government increased the cocoa price from 3,100 to 3,600 Ghana cedis per bag.
You see, the logic in that increment was because the world price has gone up.
Okay.
When we came back to Power Fresh in 2025, it went up. And so, if the argument by the NPP is anything to goes by, if the price goes up, you can't maintain the lower price for the
and reduce it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So you must respond to the world price. That is why when it declined, we've responded. Then the almost here. So it is even this mechanism of pegging the cocoa purchase price to the world market demands is one of the existing system mechanisms the new legislation will be dealing with, so that there will be a safety net.
Okay.
So
if you have to world price, there
will be a safety net
or decrease.
That's right. There will be a safety net for them.
Okay.
So that at any time, the shock, whether there's a decline or an increase, the movement will not be too variant to the detriment of the farmer.
As Member of Parliament and opposition, have you been worried about recent sole sourcing issues at EBA?
What is wrong with sole sourcing? Because the law permits it. If you read Act 663, that is the original procurement as amended by Act 991, 2016. It permits, sole sourcing is permitted, but under some conditions.
Okay.
You do understand? Yeah. So, who criticizes sole sourcing now? You need to find the reasons why you think sole sourcing is it being abused.
Okay.
You understand? If there's no abuse, then the law permits it. For instance, if you do competitive tendering, it takes a longer duration to complete the process.
Okay.
So if government is interested in, say, big push, the big push projects on the average, they are like 22 months on the average, or 24 months, 2 years. For all the major
completion.
No, for all the major rules.
Oh, okay.
A lot of the major rules are like 20, if you listen.
Like 24 months.
24, 2 years, you must deliver. Now, if you want to do competitive tendering for even the motorway, the motorway was also sole sourced.
Yeah.
To Maripoma by the NPP government. Why didn't they go for tender? Because to put the motorway on tender, it could take like 3 years to complete the competitive tendering process.
3 years?
Yes.
Are they?
That is international competitive bidding. If you want to do competitive tendering. It will take you like 3 years to complete the tender.
It will take you 3 years to complete competitive tendering.
Yes, for a road like motorway.
You achieve it.
You see, that's the requirement of law. So when it's international competitive tendering, you must give them the time. You must open the tender for like 90 days. Tender will close. Tender will open. And because it's international competitive tendering, when you open the tender, you will have to do due diligence on all the companies that will be tendering. And bureaucracy and all. That is why it took the NPP nearly 8 years to award Maripoma motorway. You know, when they awarded Maripoma was awarded motorway in like 2023, if you recall. And he started work in 2024 into the elections. And they left 8 years. So when Nana came to second term and started to work on motorway, even by sole sourcing, it was so difficult. Initially, it was awarded to some Brazilian company. It has to be taken away from that Brazilian company and given to Maripoma. And now Maripoma is working. That is even sole sourcing. So the competitive tendering process is just to check corruption and make the grounds fair for any engineering company or civil construction entity that is capable.
If we say the sole source in the diama under Moabaino, it meets the threshold. Na ye pentema ye bibinti. The only available option for us near say ye sole sourcing.
Yes, because you want the job to be started quickly, and it's also being done under emergency situations because the rules are terrible. Rules now they are all rules are work problems. And out of the about 80 something rules are awarded. About 23 existing rules are inherited. MPP are awarded. The rules have not been completed. And as a government, say there should be continuity in terms of project delivery. Projects must not be abandoned. So about 23 of the rules, acquire na amwakwanta ashasi. No awarded. And nearly all of those two were through sole sourcing. Do you understand? Because the sole sourcing gives you the opportunity to allow the contractor to move to site quickly and to be focused and to deliver according to expectations. Expectations are that you've told the people that you deliver in 24 months. If you are spending half of that month in doing competitive tendering, it affects the timelines. So there is nothing wrong with sole sourcing. Once you cannot establish that it's been abused or there's corruption in it or anything of the sort. Because the law permits it. And once you meet the conditions in the law, there's no issue with that.
And a minimum no Fourth Estate for report on Ministry of Roads and Highways. Me call constituency and run and buy. Okay. Now what they are reporting HM will say most of the contract are also the ministry of them virtually a sole sourcing. Now, people also raise concerns.
What are the statistics? If they say virtually, they should give us the statistics.
Now, my first question, you should raise yes.
No. Okay. So at the American
acid. So you have a number of awards contracted.
Yes.
Vis-a-vis a year sole sourcing.
Yes.
And
so they are talking. So they should give us the figures. But the minister has been coming to Parliament. It will be Obipa. File a question. He will come and respond. In fact, he's responded to a lot of questions on Big Push. But I don't recall any of the questions targeting how many of the roles have been awarded so far under Big Push, and how many have been, or what are the procurement approaches that were adopted, whether sole sourcing, single sourcing, restrictive tendering, and all. It will be a question. He will come and answer. And this information, they are available at the ministry.
It's not too much of a worry
at all. If the fourth estate is not able to establish that there's an abuse and there is corruption, if they can't establish these two things, then sole sourcing is lawful.
So when you're competitive bidding, corruption is likely at all. Overpricing is likely to occur.
No, at all. At all. There are benchmarks to doing road contracts everywhere. There are benchmarks. So the fact that we want to award you this job under sole source, it doesn't mean you should overprice. Because the ministry itself has technical men and consultants who cross-check all that you are giving. In any case, government can decide to give it to another person if you overprice.
Okay.
You understand?
And even under sole sourcing?
Yes, also under sole sourcing. So the sole sourcing, if you read, I believe section 40 of Act 663.
Okay.
Yes.
It when Abraham President Mama able count sole sourcing was in opposition. Number count was say under President Kufuor more abusing.
Yes.
Now say.
Yeah, we established incidents of corruption. We established that due diligence were not done. Prices of the contracts were inflated. In fact, monies were paid when no jobs were done.
Even under sole sourcing.
Even under sole sourcing. We have established that when they decided to award a road to Chairman Wontumi, for instance, I served on the Public Accounts Committee for 8 years. The Auditor General in his 2022 report. Apologies. The Auditor General.
Okay.
2022. The report of the bed down or the bread Parliament. Chairman Wontumi, his company, mobilization about 50 million. Grading Penoya. 45-kilometer stretch of road. 50
million Ghana cedis.
Yes, grading.
So far, Ekwan
Cocoa Road.
Cocoa Road.
Yes. I think Western or Ashanti region. It's in the auditor's report.
Okay.
I think it's part of the reasons.
No, your drainage count.
No.
Not drainage in count.
No.
So they were you cheer full amount in the man and
your money mobilization. They labeled it mobilization.
50 million Ghana.
50 million Ghana.
And now share a human under 50 million cedis near and be
they grading. According to the auditors, he only did grading.
But you know, the auditors were not so only 50 million year Juma echo sing efa and only grading.
The 50 million Ghana cedis should have even done first coating.
First coating.
Yes.
That's beyond grading.
That is beyond grading. That's a 45-kilometer stretch of road. It's in the Auditor General's report. So we raised the issue. That time we were in opposition. Oh, they rubbished us. But it's because of the reasons it's because. So I'm just giving you an example. So monies were paid for no work done. We were told that the Minister for Railways, he came to Parliament to tell us that they were going to institute a SkyTrain.
Yeah.
They paid monies for things, nothing was done.
That's $2 million.
Yes, nothing was done. Nothing was done, nothing. So when we spoke about sole sourcing during their regime, we had evidence to show that you were giving jobs to people for which they were not doing anything. You were paying monies, you were losing money. You do understand?
Okay.
So we backed our allegations with facts and evidence. And so if the fourth estate wants to do some critique of number of contracts the Ministry of Roads and Highways has given out, it should take the contracts one after the other and do the analysis and say that the contract should have cost us 10 cedis, but we awarded it for 15 cedis, and let's interrogate the figures. But until we are able to establish those facts, I don't think sole sourcing is illegal because it's backed by law.
What true? More request for say any office of special prosecutor and from what true no despair and I say
oh, but we believe in the wisdom of the president. It's old man afraid so your money another chance.
It's more was it about the office and answer the person
no
occupying the office?
It was about the office.
The office?
Yes.
office na mo pese you office ni free.
Because you see, your boka our office no ho because I'm mind there if you set up institutions no fools say so unya ho mfaso.
Sure.
Mfaso no de enyeska. But the utility value of the office.
Okay.
Afibia and answer for some time now no budget edi ma attorney general on a buying nimni penny on a chief prosecutor, chief state prosecutor, or regional offices.
Okay.
Even Sisi Amino Kasa Ekra, even Binum, or establishing district offices.
Yeah.
And so we'll have district prosecutors and as a district attorneys. Or offices of 16 regions.
Yeah.
And our staffers. Last budget, no mekaya money 250 million on financial juma.
Last budget. That's 2025.
Yeah, 2026. Budget.
2026 budget.
Yeah. Yes. Your money
250 million Ghana cedis
on financial juma.
Okay.
It's about the same money I did my office of the special prosecutor. Now, only number of criminal cases attorney general here Fibia. It's in excess of 10,000
every year.
Every year.
And a man 250 million Ghana cedis.
As for civil litigation cases, no, I don't. It's also huge.
Okay.
But especially criminal prosecutions. No?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Office of the Special Prosecutor also has 7 cases.
Yeah.
7. The same amount of money.
250 million Ghana cedis.
Do you understand? And me boss Ayarigani. Every speaker spoke about it. So what is the utility value of this office? Yeah, they start 250 and attorney general. Can you imagine the kind of the volume of work that he turn out for us?
The attorney general added 250 million Ghana cedis prosecute 10,000 cases
in a year.
In a year. And now OSP
because all the courts are workroom handle.
Yeah.
They do police prosecution is done in the name.
Thank you. So we now draw budget.
Thank you.
And now, Office of the Special Prosecutor also the 250 million Ghana cedis.
Also,
prosecute 7 cases.
7 cases or investigation in some of them. And you compare utility value now or mining. No. Me as an MP, no, it shocks my sensibilities. And we were thinking of abrogating the office.
Okay.
And hyphing all the properties are. Ekitano informal office of the attorney general.
Okay.
Non fankani apparatus, non fanyana So
okay.
And baby it appears that there's a duplication of functions.
Okay. Attorney general and OSP.
Yes. You know.
Also, OSP, there was what can we pass him?
We can't pass.
And you're passing.
You're raising issues, no?
You're passing this open deal with corruption and corruption-related issues.
But who says that attorney general won't be prosecuted?
Because what attorney general say what way? Say nyame pegu, meaning so nyesa. Say pass why you corrupt in President Mama Abemu. Na say na only the attorney general Dominic Ayene, a colleague at the bar, etie. Obetimi ahwe ni matabiri wa court.
Eso to me.
But over the years, much that me who said, won't mean prosecute Mwankasa mo.
It's now for some minute kisi chairman there.
Kisi jame chairman.
Chairman there, chairman criminal law. He was my TA to Professor Mensa Bonsu.
Oh, okay.
Now Supreme Court Justice. Ofi Cornell by on that 2005 or 6. On MT. Chairman criminal law. And we have been friends.
This is kisi betimi prosecute there or say Dominic Ayine so
thank you very much. So and it's not about personality so. It's about the office. Do you know, if as far as I know, the Attorney General doesn't drive in a bulletproof car.
Attorney General.
Attorney General.
You prosecute 10,000 cases in a year.
He doesn't go about driving in a bulletproof car.
I want to drive a bulletproof car.
But Kisi drives in a bulletproof car. He came to Parliament to justify it. Said the office that he holds, so he's attracting a lot of. We have to approve for him to buy bulletproof cars.
And I must approve it.
We have to approve for it because he justified it.
But the justification is not bearing fruits.
But once I say I said,
yes,
most of the cases no prosecuting.
Yeah.
Attorney General crap prosecuting even far more than that.
Yes.
When a prosecutor attack case, wasn't that
Attorney General?
Yes.
What's Attorney General?
It's a case when who power.
Thank you. And that was robbery.
Yeah,
Attorney General was robbery. But yeah. Oh, yeah, she said Office of the Special Prosecutor Mrano. You see, be dealing with Proyani Kitasi.
Yeah.
So, but I told you, within a charge sheet, or the other offenses, Eddie Fran, ni mandate.
Yanka, yeah, and Attorney General.
Thank you.
Abe Fra or no corruption.
Thank you. Because you see, who prepare a charge sheet, the offenses must be related to your mandate of prosecution, corruption related. So we intentionally we define what is corruption and corruption related
in the act.
But look at all the prosecutions, charge sheets that were filing.
So Attorney General there, a special prosecutor there, the prosecution process no, and na emanent to me winning cases at the court. And I say or lucky BB if he say a ban no at the man or to me about me winning case.
Well, what can both in the same language? So, say now kind.
Okay.
I say if focus on corruption related, he will spend less time in court.
Okay.
To dealing with the cases of filing. But because he veers into other areas and any mandate into and we're all lawyers, so I've been a formidable defense attorney in this country.
Okay.
Who decide no money, but who tackle it the way a defense lawyer should be. So you won't have it easy in court.
Okay.
I remember when we were doing the Oyome cases. Yeah. It was like 15 years ago, 14 years ago. Tough. We're tackling. Yeah. I was the face of the trial, Rufi. Studio, 2011, 2012, those days, you know. So every serious, well-established defense attorney, he will punch holes. He will question the charge sheet. So,
but me is Kisi as a formal TA or you're incompetent.
I'm not saying so. I am not saying so.
And you will not say so.
I won't say so. It's good. Kisi is good.
The challenge in the end.
So we should be asking him.
But over Parliament, over render account.
One to say Kisi can say if you fight corruption fights you. So some of us said that if you can't do the work, then resign and let's get someone.
So does it make him incompetent?
Well, if you are capable of doing something and you are showing capacity in delivering, what do you want us to say? If you have the capacity, if you have a Ronaldo as your number 9 and he's not giving you the goals, don't you substitute him? Perhaps he's tired, perhaps he has something.
So it's this time no, who agrees say office no entna. Na yes sa nipa na the office na nim. Near say be any powerful be a bar.
We have already he's the second office of the special pro. He's the second occupier.
Yeah.
So in my mind, no, if you say then there's something wrong with the structure. Because the structure is not delivering
the needed resources now.
Yes, the needed resources in here.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Attorney General now full so or no moment Maniska Bebre.
Yeah.
He's delivering all the prosecutions. If you see the reports, if you want to see what the Attorney General does, read the report of the judiciary.
Okay.
Because they hear the cases.
Yeah.
They will tell you the number of criminal cases that they have had in a year in all the courts. So it should tell you the volume, the enormity of the work that the Attorney General's office undertakes.
Now, sir, recruitment in a course into the security service, no one slaughter now.
There be.
Are they? A majority chief whip. The Minister for Interior, Amma, start to say, Fabi Farmer or constituent.
Now, what is my slaughter? What is my slaughter? Ebe ya ode.
Enyam nwanwa.
Dabi ebe ya ode. Dabi.
Enyam nwanwa. We are majority chief whip.
Yeah, yanchi chess slot ni sa.
It will enya slot.
Yanchi chess slot.
This year, members of the majority caucus.
The decision of you see on three awoka members of the majority caucus. So where MPP for film.
So
that is why there was no slots given.
Okay.
You see, fair play.
This year, yeah, ama opia.
This year, you see, entina so obeti de na see bebre they've been disqualified.
Yeah.
A slot anka, a protocol anka, they don't disqualify you.
This year, not protocol name.
Na protocol manka NDC for anka ya buyen. Yan crop for buyen because on one call you disqualify. And this weekend you have to as when you owe me fee.
Uko if you weekend.
Yes. Say na a long weekend, na year or ho.
Sure.
Nti we sala no Saturday. Na eyi kese bi o ya asafo ache no aka ba bi nti. Charlie.
Ufio.
Na grow. Party 4 disqualified. Obi afo so betimi ay magic. Yes, magic ni ho. Meanwhile, if you look at the data, over 500,000 applied.
Yeah.
Forget about the army there, no.
Army there, man.
Army there.
The 500,000 here for interior. The police, prisons, fire service, and immigration.
Thank you.
500,000.
And we're pruning down. About 104,000.
104,000 for a head screening.
For medicals.
Medicals, okay.
And he used physicals and test.
Okay.
2 levels. No, 3 levels. First, they use documentation.
Yeah.
To apply, no. You go to who apply. When they verify your documentation, they been there in
forgery
and see any. So they disqualify those bunch.
Okay.
And they drop about 400 and something. And now physicals.
Okay.
It travel home. We are lanta, those things.
Yeah.
And a height.
Oh, okay.
And a DEB. And sana aptitude test. And the April number 104,000. Now 104,000 space they work on 5,000. I just said, qualify no. Yeah. They are in excess of 100,000. Meanwhile, a top up nipena are buying air, which is the 4,000. It would announce 5,000.
Yeah.
The top up then that 100,000 is when are buying befa.
The 100,000 in your can't. The over 400,000 mobile there you.
Thank you. It's not just say there's pressure.
Yeah.
It's almost qualify cry now. Almost a party from and so more pressure. It's more slaughter, more 5.
Still win your 5.
Baby, it's me treasure almost say slaughter me and what it even creates problems for you. Because
win your 5, I more. Now more.
Thank you. Why now go in if
you 5 cry?
Meanwhile, a Jumano ya who the dom ne. Why now go in if him say who the unya. So slot system no and yet.
Okay.
Then number 2. A dom na a war na a year 100,000 into no. Enter president okay instead of 5,000 double it.
Okay.
And the a bit more pressure number from kakra.
Okay.
Just a bit. Because we are dealing with over 100,000 now. They have qualified.
It's what's now they are 10,000 instead of 5,000.
10,000.
Okay.
So it reduces the pressure just a little bit. And the 100,000 now, in excess of 100,000, never comedy cars. How are you going to deal with those numbers? So that's the discussion now.
Okay.
The fool say, maybe fool say 100,000. I say a better database.
Okay.
Now because president directive of mine, you 10
for the next 4 years.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's a better database, but the other. The opposers to our policy, they say, no. How about next year there will be other people to qualify.
Yeah.
So we have a problem.
So we really need to think holistically about
it. Honorable, as a politician, now we should say your secrecy service able to be funded per 5,000. Nipa about 500,000 apply to join. Then I catch it.
Oh, the unemployment situation. Because you see, even for me, yeah, time, that's tough. Maybe we invested 2,000.
Yeah,
it was tough. Near Millennium graduates, it was tough. So I went to teach. Maybe I didn't call for national service.
Yeah.
Luckily, I was good.
Okay.
So the whole nurses training. So they retained me. So I taught for 2 years. So now me befi. And I'm just CCM and I'm call us. Do you understand? So, and within that period, me throw letters be brave. None worked. Until my brother Kempon called me and said I should come manage his company.
Okay.
Then I was in law school and working with him. So it was difficult. It's always been, even 25 years ago. Yeah. And that has tripled. It is tripled. Yeah, in the time, investors, now 4.
Yeah.
Now, UDS are back. Until my clients are 5.
5, yeah. Then the more private ones.
There be Winneba.
Yeah.
Private ones, no. I don't recall. ABA, Central, I don't even know whether Central University I've been studying.
That I'm not studying.
Yeah. But there was 1 or 2.
Now we have about 150,000 graduates every year.
Yes.
24-hour economy has started that pay.
24-hour economy is a concept. It's a concept that all of us must buy into. But the government has adopted an approach of making initiatives to give effect to it. That is by building 24-hour markets, for instance, in the various districts, to make it a 24-hour market. It's like a mall. You could do anytime there's business, just as a stimulus. So companies are, any commercial, any manufacturing firms are work room. As I said, a policy about, so you must, as I said, you take your opportunity, no? Because government is planning to give tax waivers to companies that will run the 24-hour work program, or that will manage their company on a 24-hour basis. There will be a tax rebate. There will be incentives. And I think that is a very good thing. Now, yeah, can't 24-hour concept now. They be near mentioned ports, Haboni Airport. Near mentioned a couple of companies. Near mentioned hospitals. And my mention idea, for instance, the judiciary.
Yeah.
So judiciary is all year 24 hours. The court will sit, maybe the first session will be like from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Second session will be like from 3 o'clock to 8 p.m. Now, third session will be from 9 p.m. to like 4 a.m. Until around the clock, the same courthouse, you have 3 judges sitting.
Okay.
3 different registrars, 3 different sets of court clerks and attendants. That is possible. So cases can be expeditiously heard. Suspects or accused persons will no longer be, bench warrants will no longer be issued for accused persons who perhaps he couldn't come to court because he had gone to work or he's traveled.
Obayana judge, you know.
Obayana, there be yes, Obayana judge, you know. Obayana na court upon.
Yeah.
Until your free case now money until you issue bench warrant. So court days will be more convenient for court users. The judges will be able to deal with more cases.
Oh no, but that Ben you share them say
it's a policy. It's a policy.
The private sector.
New CJ. New CJ.
Okay.
We issue a lot of practice directives. Say is establishing new courts that will run this way.
Yeah.
But and yet 24 hours. It's like phase 1. Okay. Which is a good thing to do, say.
Yeah.
The courts will be sitting twice a day. Different judges.
Okay.
Until we are looking for the third phase, which will bring the full cycle round.
Okay.
So other companies are interested. No, the Secretariat of Honorable Guzitano is open. They should be able to approach the Secretariat and see.
Aban let me identify companies about me a 24-hour economy, the private sector.
Yes, I think the policy, the notice has been given out. Companies are registering. I've seen the policy paper. And that's what I'm saying, sir. I'm buying Ebema incentives.
There have been incentives near the bed.
It has started. It's a company no about on board. Then the incentive application will apply.
It's companies about on board.
Companies are on board.
Companies are on board. Say na starting.
I'm saying a process. There's some bit of process.
Because on
you must, and yes, I can say you can do it.
Okay.
You must be assessed.
Yes,
for instance, like the hotels.
Okay.
The hotels are a good example.
Yeah.
And so, I wish that we can start with the hotels and the restaurants and the manufacturing firms and even the schools.
Okay.
We should be able to have around the clock teaching.
Okay.
In schools.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
As you say, as of Anajo 2 a.m. Now
COVID we run shift. You see, the shift system is an idea of how you can divide numbers, big numbers, and rationalize your approach.
Okay.
So that, for instance, during COVID, I see numbers need also were reduced.
Yeah.
So if a university lecturer can say that I can teach morning session, another can teach an afternoon session, another can teach an evening session, it makes life flexible for the university student.
MS school class me admitting more students.
Because you know your lecture time. And lecture programming is part of the university tertiary school life. That I have lecture from 9 to 10 or 9 to 11. After that, you may not have anything for the rest of the day. So the university can actually adopt that holistic approach. That, for instance, political science, there will be a morning session, afternoon session, evening session. You come in badges. You finish, you go back to your hostel. That's the 24-hour concept. And then you add online programs. And you are good to go.
NDC has 24-hour economy. Now, did you really mean it say, ya assess Ghana economy, ashe, say, a bit me a 24-hour economy. And nasa fena, mobile be creative, ama 24-hour economy no,
I think the idea was to introduce it.
More assess the economy no.
Oh, but we've been in government before, so we assessed.
More say economy no bet me a 24 hours.
Yes, you are capable. At least if you start in phases, it's even possible to start it in phases. Okay. And the phase is in American.
Okay.
Say ABA, and yet the whole Untimicas will be called off for midnight. But there are some farms that you can actually go and work, especially if it's a greenhouse.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's a concept. So you must begin to roll out. Look, even under the cocoa syndicated loan, cocoa improvement facility 99, building of greenhouses were part of program, but we didn't build them. You understand? Okay. So we need to begin to do some of these things and sustain them. Young people can be in a greenhouse 24 hours. And the crops are ready. You understand? Every time.
Okay.
There's light.
Up to now, more many people say no impersonator of Sarah Joseph. Maybe
that I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, that's where I sit.
You don't know?
I don't have that fact.
But you feel say will be impersonating Ajwasafo to be in parliament?
Of course. I was in parliament. In fact, let me tell you this. Daddy, I wanted to go and remove the mask.
Nanga peso koye
yeah. But my leaders told me that no, we'll create chaos. I really wanted to. So they said those days, I really wanted to.
But I said I would have never paused on Jebra Pain. Ebeka, ya umetre, and Kwame said, Kanchako two-face, Mr. Wada. And only apostle, yeah, and the apple as me as near fita, come. So I saw say, a kama. Now I saw say, Pompru, be won't be able to be fluent more. No, ya, a Kanchako toothpaste, or mem shop be a becobiano, or Sabeka be atom so. What be a show for now, baby, at my friend number 0246 864 798 0246 864 798 and 0501 454 462 0501 454 462. Kel Chaco toothpaste or say happy smile. Ya do cook kitchen be mama what ma the fountain do I can one there for food in everyration for no I ready. Yeah, the mommy Boatma, so from the kitchen, FMI.
Fufu party. Tim. It's a no Adult TV kitchen. Aha, I adore papa. Fufu no aben. Fufu no na way to the Emma Wabinia. I'm gonna poke so free hino. What about Thomas and Charlie? Fufu no nyen kata papa. I'm gonna waji into it. I didn't Hey, the who for money. What my show, Mother Kulo? I'm not there. What Miss Action is on channel and then 2 million. What I say also about penny there. You need for 4 back home. See, channel you and I'm South Africa. You bear for count. Never found Kruma count. And to say, Yan and Yamayadoma, Meme there bay. My boat, Meme there bay. Meme only for. Hey, Tim. The one here was Africa, we are too much. We are too much. Switch on the pole. Switch on the squad, baby. Oh, if I didn't see me, they are already. I don't TV for full party. My ever you know, I call me in. Eh, no welcome. In Chilmuna Casa, a Wohono, Mintano, a bit share him and that will fear day. Now a baby full free, a funo aben, fufu no onion cats on Quan. Papa, Abana. What did I mean? Quite as you. Oh, everybody, we are too much. We are too much. Who want to go here? Okay, so Africa be that say, Papa. Command so there. Just a baby as you. See how hot. Young woman that say ya. Say ya. It's no. Mamu for one see her. Because every no phone is her. For no to Abana is the job. Abana. The way I was about the enemy there to so. It's Africa, Papa. Africa, say, enjoy my area, enjoy Ibia. I quenya the one quickly for number to Ghana, one floor now. Okay, so you are Adenta house down. Number near Tiawape. Said the music can be 0208 606013. 0208 606013. And I said 0268 606013. All social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Africa. Yo, instead of how you do best, I. No, Aben. Where can you do say? Why already? I don't see the full party. You don't see into no bedroom. The mayor's a brown, child. Sorry, I say. Why? And yet, I'm a Watamaku. Is she don't have to be and bedroom to me. I don't mind. Tim. Ah, Echo ye.